Mm-hmm. So I got more time. Yeah, man. I said go sometime. Damn, this coffee is good. How y'all doing? Yo, yo, yo. I ain't get no time to do my hair. Birthday is just another day, just as usual. Never get a birthday cake. Never get a birthday cake from the day I was born. And I am 43 now and I still never get a cake yet. But I don't worry about it. Like I said, I get cake on other days. And I eat the whole entire cake, which is not my birthday. So I'm going to get one for my birthday. It's alright. Fuck that. You know what I mean? I'm coming. I got to take a toke of this weed, though. It's my birthday. Ain't nobody going to tell me I can't smoke some of this shit. It's my birthday. I can't get no cake. At least I could smoke some shit, dog. Right? Alright then. Not supposed to be braiding it up on my hair, but fuck that right now. I don't feel like to bother with that shit right now, dog. I'm telling you. Damn, that shit feels good too, dog. That shit feels good too. Ain't no lie with that shit. I tell you, boy, I tell you about them shit. They will talk about you fucking cokehead shit. We ain't sniff no coke. We fucking smoke weed, dog. You bet you call us weeded, dog, but don't call us no coke. Now we ain't no weed head, ain't no weed make up our head. We just take a like a sniff now and then, you know what I mean? Mm. You ain't better come over here today with no shit. Nah, nah, nah. They been let's start no shit, gonna be no shit. I tell them already, you ready? Tell them already, motherfuckers. I need a rehab. This shit is killing me. A fucking rehab. 1-800. Report my ass. I need a report. They fucking rehab, motherfucker. Let's say report somebody doing drugs. Try to help them. Call 1-800. Give me more weed. 1-800. Give me more weed and shit. Make the world a better place. Everybody walking on mad at each other because they ain't smoking no weed. Weed make you cool as shit. You're so cool, but make sure you ain't get nobody your asshole to fuck. You're too cool, nigga. So, some of these motherfuckers, they smoke weed, they can't hold their eye and shit. They start fucking telling me, fuck me my ass. I thought you said you didn't like fucking your ass. I thought you said you wasn't gay. Smoke the weed, now you want to get fucking your ass with a bottle? This nigga big me fucking his ass with a bottle. I was like, nigga, you crazy? I ain't gonna fucking your ass with no bottle. I ain't gonna fucking go up your stinking ass. Yeah, you can fucking smoke that fucking crack. The crack got the motherfucker wanna fucking his ass. That's how I know he was on the door. I said, fuck it, take this for me to find out. We'll take this for me to fucking find out, dog. Yeah, man, yeah, man. I'm gonna show my face, dog. Just give me a minute now, no. Just give me a minute now. You don't want this whole central booking to come and get me and put me in my house, They legal take your door off these days. For simple shit. They take your fucking door off, they take you down, man. They take you down like a motherfucker. You sure they take that guy down in Staten Island? They choke hold him and he died. Tall, trapped in guy was so damn big, they take him down like he was nothing. You don't imagine what they would do to me inside this house. Oh, girl, you don't know society these days. They take you down real fast, Ain't no joke about it. One time, this skinny bitch, she take me down. She was a cop too. She was wide, but she was skinny, but she was strong. She take me down real fast, real fast. I was on the ground. I was like, dang, this bitch is fast. You know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. Try to defend yourself from them choking you out like Sandra Bullock. But sometimes you gotta stop fighting with them motherfuckers. They're gonna choke you out. Just go along whatever they say and be nice. Kiss their ass so you could get back out. Freedom in the street. Else you're gone. You're gone like a motherfucker. You gone. Everybody come to your funeral and shit. Everybody dress up saying, oh, no, he won't kill himself like this. He did not hang himself. I know to God he did not hang himself. But guess what? They say he hang himself. That's why they're going to say after they choke you out. It's the same way when you choke out from when you hang. It's the same choke out. Believe me. When they cut your body and the post-mortem come and they check you out, they say the same thing. They know the difference. Your ass is out like a grass, motherfucker. Like you spray some grass with glamazone. That shit is dried up. The ass is gone. Fuck is this? You fuck with America, you get fucked. Fuck, America's a strong country now. Remember, we killed out all the fucking Indians, American citizens. I can tell you that. hmm Kill out all the Indians, take over the lawn and shit. They talk about the black people come from Africa, talk about we black American. Oh, fucking black America. America don't belongs to you, motherfuckers. The whites own America now. You know, they own America now. We love them all because they let me come here. Let me come here. They give me opportunity to come here. I fly in a big old high plane. Well, since this thing is out, I ain't gonna light it back. hmm Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I thank God for America, yeah. I thank God for America. Because guess what? They put me in a big old high-end plane. They fly me over the Atlantic Ocean. And they fly me all the way to America. Nah, America wasn't belongs to me. I'm an Israelite. I'm from out in Africa. And they take me to this damn place. Talk about, they take my grandmama, my grandmother, great-grandmama, and they take them all from Africa, talk about, and the Israelites talk about the African. You know African. African is a fucking continent. African is over there, is all kind of fucking different place in Africa. So I wouldn't call the country, it's a fucking continent, am I right? You're fucking different part of Africa. They take you out, you fucking Israelites. That's why sucking dick become legal now. They used to have us sucking dick back in the days. You know? Mm-hmm. This all come out knowing shit like that. From slavery. Sucking dicks. Yeah? Fucking the ass and shit like that. Slavery. Mm-hmm. Thank you guys. Thank you. I know it's my birthday. Thank you, honey. Thank you so much. Thank you, my lover. My birthday and not every day the same day to me. Thank God I wake up this morning. Not a difference. Same coffee, same dumpling. Nothing in between. And I God bless me make a sale of whatever if you can buy this. One good job just buy cream from my liver because for my birthday more and yum. And for bad. Anybody knows if they want to be my friend, buy me food. They know that. If you buy me food, me a friend. I mean, you know that. I mean, not lie. Honestly to God, I don't know why I'm still like that. People want to come and change your personality. They want to turn you some fucking dad and food. Somebody don't want to come on and say, I ain't gonna eat a fried sauce or fried dumpling on my birthday. I gotta go to a restaurant. But tell you what, I ain't sucking no dick today to go to no damn restaurant. On my birthday, I'm gonna give my pussy up and sucking some dick. That's not my birthday. That's your birthday. You don't want to get in. Well, hell no. Today's my birthday. I ain't doing it. What I ate about it? Oh, dirty job, motherfucker. You can fucking spite you. You gotta fucking lay your laws down, your pussy law down. Lay that motherfucker down. Lay it down. Lay that shit down and cost what the fucking way. They gotta get money. Lay that shit down. Fuck that. Trying to stand people try to miss nice bitch. Act like you know I don't wanna ask for shit. I'm asking. When you're laying your fucking dick in somebody's womb, you're not asking. Fuck with you. When you lay your dick down in a warm place. When you have your dick in a warm place. When you have your dick in a warm place. A wet place. And you just go up in you and start stroke and feel good. You know what I mean? But I shouldn't have to ask. I hate when these motherfuckers, they so old. And they're trying to get younger pussy. Younger pussy. And when they get the woman now, squeeze out any iron nice, squeeze out any iron left. And you talk on one side of my mouth, I eat on one side so I can talk on one side. Yeah, so yeah. Tell me come mad face cause suck them woman. Then I want me come by you. Every time I come on and vex. I reckon me blow me pull my nose. A piece of dumpling fly up in my nose. Me fly for each up in my nose right now. I try to pull it back out of my nose and pull it back on my throat. I don't feel that very well. Enough time rice cream each up in my nose. Enough time. Yeah man, so thank you baby, thank you. That's my response for them, Mimbo. I almost choke if you drive again. Put in a second gear. Oh, I'll let him lose. That's all. Anyway, I never done the whole 4 dumpling today. If you see if just see if 2. 1 left on this meat 2 already. So I make 3. So I see if 1. I'm good. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, Oliver. Happy birthday to you. Fucking shit. That's all the cake I ever get. That's all the cake I ever get. Happy birthday to me. My life so sad, you see. That's the only birthday cake I get. 50 cents in the middle, feel so wet. Happy birthday. Should I put some little we call it icing on the top and put some little candle in it and light it? Yeah, I should have put some little icing on top and put a candle so I could blow it out good easy. Blow it right out. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. Goodie. Birthday. Birthday cake. See it here. All it needs is a little icing and a couple candles and we can blow it out. And make my wishes for the next one. Yes. You need the candle and the ice and Olivet birthday cake. See it here. Nice cake. You look like a China I come from. Like a China birthday cake this. Plastic cake. Well, my birthday. Ship me some elephant for it. I last one this. I last one this. Done. It's a good porky hole here. It's a good hole there. Small. Small hole. Good hole. You see it? Some girl hold big. And I like criticize people. And when you hold big, I'm going to show you how it stay. It have a dark tunnel. It's very dark and deep inside. See, very dark. If you even open it more, you're gonna still dark. See? See? When you look inside, it's just dark. Big dark tunnel. Not good. My belch though. I eat it as much as you abuse me, put it through me still going near me. I'm hungry, but I remember the abuse me, put it through me. So that's the same way. 3 gone, 1 piece to go. Yeah, my battery go flat. I can't afford the Brazilian butt lift. I just cannot afford it. Man, food is wonders. So food I really can't survive. So food I really can't live, girl. I want a poison. A poison, you know, poison no rest. The amount of harm that to my body, the more harm more good to my body. Every fucking thing I just eat and I drink is doing more harm to my body than good. Believe you me. It's poison. Number one, the word for caffeine. Number one, the fake half and half milk. The fucking sugar. All that is poison. The fried dumpling. The word for starch. The aisle. Not no night for nothing. I get no tight. No vitamin minerals. Your body's fuckery. I mean, shred some green, shred up some carrot, cut up some kale, cut up some cucumbers and other things that I put together. I even blend some ginger, make some juice and some other things, some spinach, and make a salad. I would better off for me than this is garbage. I'm telling you. So I don't like something, I know. I don't hold bag of here. This is all what I have left. So the 1 piece I can't find. I can't find the bag of the rest. This is the 1 piece. There. See that? Looking like a snake. 1 piece, that's it. Yeah. So like I said to you, a lot of them have a bad attitude and a nasty attitude, you see. We all come from the West Indies and we come here. We are Israelites. We come here. Some of us come from Guyana. Some of us come from Albert. And we come here. And come to look at like a work. So, you know, you have all kind of living work and all kind of different work of people going for that. So, and some of the people them bad mind and dirty mind against each and like a job, you see. Then just like fucking killing a little job. Then carry news pan the manager, then try to make you lose the fucking little job where you have. It's impossible, man. So that mind too fucking dirty. I don't blame the Trinidadian them one bit. I sorry to tell you, I love God and I don't put up with slackness. I mean, I love Satan. But I don't blame the Trinidadian them one bit sometimes. The Trinidadian them know if you fix them. May I tell you? May I tell you, you know? You go in at the job and you do the little job and I work and them set all over your feet up on the same job. You and somebody share the same job. One a night or one a day. One much day, one a day. And then I'm fucking put over for your job. And that them are the work on and do them shit there. Remember Trinidadian girl in friend, you know? One girl, she used to be so big and thick. She near Erla. Erla, I'm not call her last name, but Erla. Big thick Erla. From Trinidad. But the girl, if when she put on clothes, she put on nice clothes, man. The girl dressed nice. Her body big, but she dressed nice. And she keep her place clean. And she buy nice furniture. She me girl, and my girl, man. And so like fucking mix up the cars. So like she don't go like she don't want to talk about. My girl. I love Erla. She come from Trinidad. And the old man, I used to take care of the old house. And them used to like old house. But I take care of, she was renting on the top floor. And so on. So she know the old man that give me money and so. Like me like a sugar daddy and so. But the man couldn't have sex with me because he was too old. You know what? Me cook and clean and washing clothes and take care of him. You understand me? So anyway, that's the same problem she has because the same kind of job she does. And she go in and she take care of a little boy. And they start to fight her upon the job. One woman fight the shit out of her. And she lose the job. And she was home and she wasn't working. And she said she don't know how she go pay her rent and something. She said, Tina, Gail, I tell you, you know, Gail, the woman fight me, Gail, the woman, the little boy, I taking care, eh? They fire me, you know. I didn't know what to do, Gail. I didn't know. Let me tell you something, Gail. I went to a man I know, you see. And girl, I fixed that woman and I fix every fucking body, girl. You know what happened me the most, girl? Is one day inside I do everything I had to do, And the white woman come to me. She had a little boy. She said to me, take the little boy out for a walk. So I turned to her and tell her it's like, it's like 25 outside degree. Out. She said, it doesn't matter. Go take the boy. Go and take the boy for a walk. She said, girl, I take that little boy for a walk, girl. And I take him to the park. And I sit in and tell you I was cold, girl. And the boy started so cold, eh? I tell the boy, sit quiet while he cold, Because I sit in quiet too in the cold, And the boy sit tight. The boy started to turn purple. When the cold take the boy started to turn purple. And when see the boy started purple, she said, come now, let me take you back to your mother. She said she went back to the white woman because the woman is very ignorant. And the woman, I listened to her say it's too cold outside. When she saw the boy turn purple, she grabbed the boy and rubbed the boy two cheek. Oh, God, he almost freeze to death. She said, I told the woman, say, you're fired. She said, girl, I tell you, I did not job. I put a piece of thing in her cunt, you see, girl. You hear me? I was home, And I called back the agency, called back and said they have a job for me, girl. And when they give me the address, I know it's the same fucking house they send me back in, girl. And the white woman don't like me at all. The white woman don't like me at all, girl. But tell you what, I fuck she up in a girl. I have something in my bag for she. I have something in my bag for she in a girl. Tina girl, I tell you, I know easy girl. Girl, I know easy girl. I have something for this cunt. Girl. I say, she say, yes, girl. I went there when I realized that the same place they sent back where the white woman hate me. Because she son turned purple. I get to the address, I went there, I take the fucking shit out of the doors. I get at the step, I take it out my bag. And do what I had to do and put it back. I walk inside the woman, shaking me hand and give me the job. I blind she fucking eye. I walking with she up till now she don't know it's me. I fucking use Obi and blind she eye. She can't recognize me as the same person that walking with she so fucking long. And she still don't know see me. Me say, girl, for your hobby bad, me afraid of you. For your fucking hobby bad. I try to be nice to that woman because I never want me to fall out. I swear to God. I would not want me to fall out. I nice to that girl up to the moment. She knows I mean I get money from the old man. She know me that sugar the old man I give me money because the old man I may take care of the place. And plus me have one next sugar daddy we are coming and bring money too. So me have one outside and one when me live and with the property me I run and I collect the rent, run the boiler downstairs and clean the house and collect the rent and so on. And then me use a tap bathroom for my bubble bath and sit in the river, just go lock up for hours and sleep in a bubble bath and relax. So me have the whole thing set up the way me want set up. So I was collecting thousands of dollars. When we went to Bank of America downtown, they asked me if I want to invest money into some business. They was kissing my ass in the bank because I had so much fucking money. So earlier she come to me now and she was like, I go into Trinidad girl and it's like, especially she said sugar daddy come and carry susu and the susu one was $10,000. It was all in $100 bill. The pussy was really working, the muscle was really making him feel sweet, but he didn't want to like a fucking in my ass with a dildo. And I decided to go and buy it and fucking in my ass. I didn't give a fuck. I strapped that dildo on and I fucked that Trinidad man in Batty Wall because guess what? He tell me his wife was using a small dildo. So I said I'm going to get a big fucking one. I get and train. By the time he tell me he was giving so much money, I never lose a minute. For God forgive me. Child, I did not lose a minute at time. I need my money. When it comes to business, I don't fucking play. I'm a businesswoman. So I get up and I say, fuck that. He said, you need someone to go and shop? I said, sure, give me $1,000. Girl, I was good to go. I went to buy some nickel J, put on one aisle boot like ore and paint up myself like a desperate ore and make him walk inside my place in my apartment, put up my music loud. And I put on, went to Pink Pussy, right at West 4th Street. God, you see and you deliver me and I thank you, Lord. Because this thing couldn't go on for much longer. It's a disgrace. It's a disgrace. And that's why I love Jesus and I love God. I could tell you all, turn to God. Things of this world is not very good. It's not good at all. You understand me? I'm not going to lie to you. Because the things and where money take me in places. Money take me in high places. Secret places that I shouldn't been. You hear me, child? Because of this money is the root of all fucking evil. And I tell you because I know I was making a lot of money. Man was about to give me money and me get out 10,000 susu draws. So the money sweet me. 10,000 one time. I mean, no, I still I get pocket money every day, else 7 days a week. So I decide to go. So I jump quick on the A train. And I come off of Westford Street and I walk right around the corner to Pink Pussy. They have a store, they call it Pink Pussy. That's where you get all the sex toys. You can get fake pussy, you can get dick, you can get all the sort of shit up in there to buy. You can get outfit too and all kind of thing. I went up in and I pick up a big size dick and I said, man, I want this one. He tell me the price. I said, listen, I don't care about the price. Give me this one. This is the one I like. And give me something to strap it on. God forbid for help me, Jesus. Forgive me my sin. And I bring it home and I work him properly because I know he was bringing the susu. You know, it seemed like he married me because I've never done it again. Because when I get satisfied, sanctified with God, I throw them shits out. And I was like, I don't want to live this nasty life. So it's like he's still married me today because he can't get that out of me. And it's sad. You know, because if you're a man, you're a man. If you're straight, you're straight. You cannot be having sex in your butt with plastic dick. Somebody shoving your ass and you're whining on top and whine like a woman. I take it in. That means you will use the live one. So why don't you admit that you're bisexual or you gay, or instead of acting like you're straight? That's why you have a problem with women. Motherfuckers like that, they have a problem with women because they want to be you. Silently, they want to dress like you. They want to be like you. They're jealous of your life. They're jealous of men talking to you because that's what they want, but they don't want to face it. They don't want to face it and say, okay, I like dick. I want to take dick. Forget about my wife and my kids. I've been pretending about wife and kids too damn long because I know that's not what I really want. But you're going to go out and there's one make a big false dick, plastic dick, and rub it up your ass and think like, it's okay. I'm straight. It's okay. It's not fucking okay. You're not straight. Okay, nobody's supposed to touch a back partner, so nobody at all. If you're not into that, so if you're into that, that means that's why any man out there with nowadays, you go to another pant up and you roll the pussy in the street, them try put some Vaseline in your finger and try get it to him batty wall. If you jump off of you and he would get dead and he get mad with you, I hear man that. You understand me? If you lay down there, you put him finger up in your ass with Vaseline while in the pant up and sink you up to the last joint of your finger, something is wrong somewhere. You figure it out. You figure it out. Figure it out. Because, you know, people don't like to tell the truth. Sometimes you tell the truth and vex because, you know, in real life, you have to tell the truth and be truthful and pray to God and try to change. Pray to God and try to change. Because every human being does shit sometime. And people know what people do. The whole world is full of fucking sin. But you all want to act like it's not. Act like it's fucking not then. I know what is a... Yeah, man. Blow up my nose. At least my nose I'll roll one more me a cough. No, thank God. Because I'm not cough way too much. We couldn't get a chance to talk. You know what I mean? A little bit better. You know, better, but a little bit better. Yeah. Yeah, so what basically me I say is that. That's how it is. So some people don't like to speak the truth. And then when they don't like to speak the truth, it become a problem because they want to act like, you know, them so nice, them so stoosh, and this now go on and that now go on. And that's how it is. A lot of people have problems like that. So the woman know, she was my friend. So when she all that know, all the money now, me I get the man I give me now. She come in from work one day, I'm going to show her she come in from me live. You know she very fat like a turkey. She drop on her back and put up her fat leg up in the air. But motor catch and say, why? Money, girl. Me don't like her though, her attitude. Like her, yeah. She used to have one boy. And the boy used to name Dexter. He used to work her body. And she said, girl, you know, I don't smoke weed and thing, you know. She's a big girl, you know, weed down there and thing. Because sometimes she don't used to smoke weed, you know. And sometimes me have a maybe girl and she let me take a little pull man because Dexter come and want to be in the mood, girl. And sometimes me say no, and she said, boy, you know anybody little me can get her something. And we tell her, I said, the boy so and so. She said, but girl, I can't go, you know, the boy might come now. You can't help me. And so when me look me see the man, when me I run out the road now, if you go try help my friend, when me look me see one boy, I try stop me and I say, you look so sexy, you look so good. Never know say the same boy where I go to her. I never tell her up till today. I me run past, I try get it sitting fear. I run past him and stop me, I try look me and him and the way to she. And she tell me say him come. But him not know me. Anyway, I saw. She said, boy, girl, I like the boy too bad, you know. I like the boy too bad, man. The boy ever cock, you see. He long until he bend, girl. Girl, I tell you, when he put it in me, girl, I feel so good. I feel so good, man. I tell him, say, boy, rub it in my ears. Put it in my nose. Put it in any hole he could find. I say, girl, he can put it down upon me, you know. And she's a big woman too, you know, big chick woman. She attack, you know. She attack about him and shit. She said, yeah, You know, the other day, girl, he come by me, and he started to do his sweet me so bad, girl, I fall asleep after I done work the body, so, And when I realized he put it in back without a condom, I always use a condom, I always use a condom, no, but this time didn't have none on. It was already in me, it feels so sweet, girl, I just go along with it. Girl, I tell her them thing could put you in trouble, girl. He say, yes, girl. All right, yeah, girl, I go, because I have to go work later and thing, man. I say, all right. I'll talk to you later. When she come to me now and say, I'm going to Trinidad, I have one check supposed to clear, but the check never clear. I want to get some money to borrow. And I tell she, boy, I'm sorry I couldn't help you. The woman get mad and turn against me. From that time, she stopped being my friend. Because she may collect so much of money. When the people them come now, we have the power attorney for the house, and the woman come and say I share on the own man business. It's like she go back, go call my name to them and tell them why am I give me money and this and that. Because she live in ICMOs. Bad mind fucker them. Then one time she come, and then the woman come. And the woman come with her husband because Georgie used to stay with the woman when she there Jamaica used to stay with the woman, and the woman come abroad. So I end up running to the woman, but he was born in a Cuba. He was born in Cuba, but he grew up in a Jamaica. He was a nice little old man. So now when they are foreign by a house and he have no mortgage on the house or nothing. He right at 38 Clever Place up till today, on Fulton Street. So when we bounce him on this 20, you could bounce me anytime. He come back and left $50 the man and sell cigarette for me for buy food. Like a God provided because they really desperate now, like a one room. They want to come out of the stripping business. So me and him turn friend. I made a look one place for rent and he said no one friend at the Bronx, but it was far. And God making call me and place and give me a studio apartment in the house. So me clean you up and paint you up and they take care of him for about 6 months. I don't see nobody come on. Because I was a crackhead girl in the bed that smoke out all the money and I treat him bad. All his skin looks scaly and dry. He need his body for oil him skin and wash him clothes and cook up fish game and make him get strong and put on cable. Take out the piece of old black and white TV and put flat screen TV in there and cable. So I decided that I go do. So I clear up the whole place, put in flat screen TV, put in cable and get younger. Because I know where I go into the world and stay up watch movie. He love Rockabama and Michelle. Him love them gone to bed. Him enjoy it. May I tell us a the upstairs in the studio apartment, Obama win. And me go vote for Obama too. Because I get up early in the morning, 6 o'clock go vote. 6 o'clock forget if you go vote. And me I tell us when Obama win, me run from upstairs at the old man house to downstairs screaming, didn't have no voice left. No voice left because I was on Obama team. Obama me get me citizenship and me get my son. I was on Obama team. And Obama sent me $50 and a personal letter that I should vote. And I went and vote for him. I did not vote for no one else. Since then and then. Thank you, baby. Michelle Waters, big up yourself. Anna, big up yourself. Make a be, big up yourself. Love all on, man. Same one deal. Millwood, on a big up on yourself. All in goodness, on a big up on yourself, lol. Yeah. So what me I try say is that, you know what I mean? So the old man have the house and he never have no kids. Because basically I always gonna talk about Mr. George White. Mr. George White, his name is, huh? George White. He's a cute black man with kinda like blue eyes. He used to go on ship and all them farm work and all them thing. And so on. So when he was in Jamaica, he was a coxman because he was pretty no wrath. He was very pretty. And a lot of Jamaican girls like him up. And him stay at Jamaica. His father was a them shit man. His father was in a cult. One of them Bill cult man. He used to dress and got the cult in and watch him father. And so his mother died when he was very, very young. His mother died. His mother used to dream him all the time. And so on. And he was in Jamaica living and him have sisters like a sister in Jamaica. I think a sister or two of them. 2 sisters he had, exactly. 2 sisters he has. And he was in Jamaica and he was fooling around some girl. He said, ugly girl have the sweetest pussy in the world. He said, pretty girl, my pretty but ugly girl have the sweetest pussy. He said, Jamaica so you have one ugly girl. The girl ugly and look black and nobody no want to talk about the girl so ugly. But him say, friend the girl, and nobody know him friend the girl. And he start to have sex with the girl. And it's the sweetest pussy he ever get. Him say, Olivet are the sweetest pussy he ever get. He might dead gone, but I'm here to tell him story. Mr. George White. God bless him soul. Rip Georgie. Him say the sweetest pussy him ever get. And let me tell you. I saw when me come on Fulton Street and like a one room. The boy, them got chucking next man with the weed in one car. Someone down a flatbush and shoot the boy in him head. He used to always wear him, he cut out the top of him time and put in dreadlocks to him. I forgot what name. But they go shoot him and kill him and then take off a couple pounds of weed. Well, who will kill him with the weed and everything and bring in the building which part me there? In the room which part me rent on Fulton Street now. I up the side around the whole pa gun gang and shit. At this some day. It's like an Italian man and him who own the building. And Italian man and somebody to play with. Him and somebody to play. Me know him good and talk to him. And somebody to play with. But I him own the building. And have one boy running in Clarky. That would on Fulton Street. And I rent a room. And I rent a room in the bathroom and everybody is on it because I just alone me have a struggle through and I go through. And I take some wallpaper and so sit and preach up room. The room look like a high class, like a man at no hotel put a glass on the wall, but a little room. So when I enter and come in the old building and go to the room, like one different place here, when I come in my little room, but that alone me have. And me I pay the man in for the feet. He pay the landlord a little bit of money, but me I pay him feet. And so on. So why me each up in the nose, a brother now come and see me and I say, boy, I really like you and thinking of daughter. And he's an older man. Flee go big up yourself. And he's an older man and I say, boy, daughter, I want to give a pound of weed for hustle, because I like you, So I say, all right, and he give me a pound of weed. But when he give me weed, I start to hustle the thing and thing. I buy food and I name with it same way because I have to eat and pay the rent. So I end up couldn't give him back nothing out of it. So me yesterday say, I'm going to kill me. But I say, kill me for what? Because I don't really have nothing, you know what I mean? But anyway, me hear funny man, he said, no man, when you already have something, just bring it and come and whatever. So me up in a little room and I just go on and struggle through and I go to one little place. So I dance, sometimes I try to make little money to pay my rent. But I really want to get out of it. I really want to go, I really want to go, I don't know what to live. So what happened now, I did a little place and I said to myself, boy, I don't know I got my bunks a little old man now. Because things like get off bad, one boy up in there want to talk to me and two me don't want to give him no play. I sit down on the dining table in one place, everybody come and eat like a table. I can go to my room and come out and talk to somebody. And the pussy will just wait and just kick down the fucking chair with me. Me and the chair turn over the ground. As me about to eat and then taking gun and shoot you up through the floor. Could I shoot me? Right next to me and shoot the floor. So I get up and I say, no, this is not me want to get the fuck out of this building. Then a couple of days later, the boy come knock on my door early in the morning and I say, hold the bag, yeah. If he can beg me, put up the bag for him. So I want hold the bag. But I say, hold the bag for him. So when I hold the bag and close the door for hold the bag for him, I zip the bag and see a gun in the bag and drugs in the bag. So I know the youth was killing everything. I know say, them do it because I see the drugs and I see the gun. So I know once a man in there, I can say, give me the bag. I just give me the bag quick. I just want nothing to do with the bag. I want to get out of there because if police come in there, I go get something I never know. And I just rent. There's a lot of shit going up in the building. So sometimes I go do and dance in a place, make a little dollar, them never make enough dollar. And I go to a man to go buy something to eat. I'm here a Jamaican guy to say, yo, come here man. Yo, come here man. Right now I'm full time in Franklin. Yo, come here man. I'm going to answer him. I walk, I go. If I say, yo, now hear me, I call you. I say, come here man. Come here. So I'm going to answer him. So I walk up to the door and boy, y'all come and say, who the fuck you think you're talking to? Go fucking learn some man doesn't learn to fucking talk to woman. Fuck you think you're talking to? Go learn how to fucking talk to woman. Hey girl, you don't know if you talk to people. I said, go and learn how to talk to women. I come out, hey you. Learn to talk to fucking people. Yeah. You don't know how to talk to people. I said, I'm not gonna come, you come, yo, come here. I said, come here, yo. I still not go. I said, I'm paying the man, that's what me do and go on my business. Around 2 nights later, I go to the door. The guy, the one I hold in building and sitting, he said, I can't go downstairs and buy one entourage and something beg me buy. At the store, I'm gonna pick up something for myself too. So I got the store and I come back in. He said, me walk, me not see nobody left, me not see nobody right, me not see nobody. He said, I pull the key and push him and come in, somebody just shove me fucking and ram a gun on and realize a gun and eat my ribs. So the same guy. He said, I see your bumbo clot. Because I stick your bumbo clot right now, my girl. If you watch you talk to big man, when man say, if you come here, blood clot, my girl. And I saw the man have the gun up in my ribs down and nobody knows me between the door and the man, Me I tell you, say, all me feel that's a big old piece I run down my pants. Big old shot a piece, I piss up the whole of my pants, motherfucker have the gun in my ribs, And him say, see you, I true me know you're cool now, my girl, I'm gonna make you live. But watch, you never know who call you, how you talk to, watch yourself. And I saw the pussy will let me and say, you're cool, man, go on, I make you live. And I saw the see a man, when me crawl, go upstairs now, me can't believe what happened to me. When me look, the man asked me, when me a shake so and my pants wet up. Me say the man juke me downstairs with a gun. He say a friend, he fight him and he never go there nothing. Me know him man. And so me say, yo, I'm frightened that's wrong, but me never call police or nothing. Me never call police or nothing. Around a couple weeks later, me see him at a boy, we had to buy smoke. Over the next door, me pay for that fare, give her that, cool, man, cool. Yeah, the fuck after that. Yeah, after all of that, I buy food at restaurant, pay for that fare, man, she good. You know? Coming in call police and bother down them fucker the car, that don't make no sense. When me realize I wanted blood clot, man, I kill much man at Jamaica. As I wanted man, go back and change in paper and come in want. He kill one man right on a class in Franklin, I'm killing right now, man, in light. It's a dangerous blood clot, man. So, Juke from Jamaica is a wanted blood clot, man, a bad blood clot, man. We kill her just like that now, right broad daylight. Me don't even know who me that talk to. Post to dangerous dog. One next one him come by and kill him baby mother. Whole part of them used to come round. Me I say, rascal. Yeah, man. But they're not bad than the Italian, Because the Italian no own the buildings are bad a blood clot, man. Can you see Italian, man, there? And that the judge know him for a long time. And there's a man who used to run one shop down there. And run a piece of shop and do some other shit there. You have the whole side where he used to run. And it's like him have a son. And the uncle son him have. And something went round the whole place, catch a fire and burn down. And the same Italian man who owned the building we talk about stand up with him in a court and be him witness and help him out. Him win the case. It's a big piece of money that. Yeah, from Connie Edison and Rupert, a big piece of money and win the case. When he win the case, he don't give the Italian boy nothing. Him draw away. Him draw away all the money and all that shit. He don't give the man nothing. Him have one son. I must send him to college and everything. Him have to feel one son. Because I love his son. And I pack him a pack for send with his son. Just like that, and his son just disappear. By the wink of him, yeah, him not see him son. And him never see his son again because of that. Don't fuck with Italians. That's what I tell you. Don't fuck with them. They're nice people, but don't try to screw them around. You will get fucked. Like a duck. You will. Don't fuck with Italians. An African with voodoo, that's for them number one rule. Don't fuck with them now. They got you fucking spinning like a fucking gig. So what happen now, with that building now, I ought the media come from when me bounce like an old man and he say you could bounce me anytime. And he left $50 to one like an old man that sell cigarette down the name Pops. He used to go and come Jamaica the one and he sell a cigarette them illegal and he make money. And that's what Pops said, grow on there, go check pan him man and see if he alright, kind of see him come out here, I grow on there. And see crackhead girl nine burn and me start to talk. And he really like me. And when me grow on the man show me the place, the man show me one studio apartment. Just enough for your bedroom, with like a bathroom, like a sitting nice. And I said, damn, that would be good if me could get something like that for myself. But when would I get money to pay for that? Where would I get money to pay for that? There's no me have money to pay for that. You understand me? And me go back to the one room. Again, hold on, guys. Yeah. I'm going to little old man place, nice little house. You have 1, 2, 3 floors. And the top basement, now down in that old pan flat, nice. No mortgage, you like a backyard when playing to like a food and so on, like sitting in back there. The man told me the whole place. Him now no kids come and say they're Jamaican and they with the girl them. He said they with the girl and they with the pretty girl. He used to drive the pretty girl home. And then go fuck the ugly girl. So me I tell before I start telling me them story, the me set him to get to tell me them story. That me need to get to. So anyway, yes, we need to get to that before we start out what Wayne tell me. So what happened now? I am gonna tell you this. And believe you me, if I'm lying to you, the world, what would I say? Sun will never shine again, rain will never fall again, snow will never fall again. If I'm lying to you on the one son that I have burdened to me, God is always with me. Somehow. May I tell you, kind of weird, but he was. Always. When I go and see the place, I go back to the old place, I hear me to myself, no? Jesus Christ. If I could get a little place where I don't fix up in nice just for me alone, that is just for me. but me don't have no money. Me go down pa me knee. So help me God as I sit here. And I start to pray. And I said, Father God, if I could only get that place. I saw me pray and I talk to God. I was surprised the next day when the phone rang and the old man said, come, I have something to show you. And when I went there and walked me exactly in the same place and said, this is yours. I said, how much? Him say, you don't have to pay for it. It's yours. I said, when can I move in? Him say, anytime you're ready, I will give you a key today. And me I tell you, God, who can say there is no God? Think about it. Who can say there is no God? Really? Sometimes when you think deep, you feel in your soul, mama. When you go through your problem, when you go through your heartache, when you go through your last dollar, but you know you have faith in God. You know something is going to happen. You know somewhere down the line you're going to get that job where you want. You're going to get the little hustling you want. You're going to get that little money you wait upon. You're going to get it when it come to you. And maybe it look like there's no way you're going to pay the rent. There's no way your phone will go and pay. But God going to make a way because you really believe in God. And that's what me have to say, as sinful as it is, me I tell you. Some things where God show me is hard. It's no way me cannot not believe in God. It's no way that me can't ignore him. Because it's so real that me know that me couldn't stand the judgment what me I go get. Because me can't just be destroyed in a moment. You know what I mean? That's when people put them faith upon other things, but not upon God, them perish. But with faith, you always want me here, you always another door I want me, always somewhere God are gonna make it happen. Some always going to make it happen, I'm telling you. Because me tell you, so when me pray, me couldn't believe it. And God don't wanna lie me, I tell you, I never believe in a God as much as now. Like, me still believe in him, but my faith never strong as now. I mean, I tell him, I go down and the man tell me couldn't believe me, say, yes, God. Right now, me start to clean up, paint up and move in the next 2 days. And start to cook for him, clean up the place and do so. You having 2 sisters, them living in Florida now and all them thing there. You understand me? Him have no kids around. Because the girl me breed at Jamaica, one of them have big belly about for your baby when my left. And it's when my left she couldn't find nothing for right. He to go for writing one number one address for him to go. And the sister grab you and say, come on, you don't have no time for this. Come on, you're going to leave to catch a flight, you don't have no time for this. And drag him away. And he have work and have millions of dollars. Kind of wife staying in nursing home for 20 years. Daisy staying in a nursing home. His wife was Daisy. And she stayed in the nursing home for 20 years before she died. And then she finally died because of amputate her leg, she have diabetes and so on. But he didn't really love her. He said when he was living a landlord around the corner and couldn't even get enough to eat, them treat him like shit. And he saved a little money and buy that house. And they was so surprised when he moved. Because the landlord said to him, so you know if you don't like it, and that was enough for him. And he get his own house and he been living there with his wife. He said many times he get not so much problem because he said, you know what it is, Tina, I love woman, you know, and even though I'm married to Daisy, my wife, my one girl, me so go see the girl pussy so sweet. And the girl used to live downtown Brooklyn. And sometimes I used to go to work and me go and see the girl and go see the girl and go see the girl. And the girl have a bad attitude, you know what I mean? The girl takes something and give me one ras lick over me eye, nearly blind me eye, swell up. Me go home to my wife, me tell her say I fall on some accident on the job. Some shit the girl nearly lick out me eye. You understand? Hold on. Simone Kelly, big up yourself, baby. Simone Kelly. Simone Kelly, girl. You on here? Big up yourself. Big up yourself, mama. Love you, love you, love you, love you all, matter of fact. But big up yourself. And big up to the other person that just donated to me last night. Big up yourself. I'm going to get your name so I can shout you out. Big up yourself also. Thank you so much for making a patronize account. Every little dollar account. Thank you. Because I want to afford to get the next phone and all these things. So we can get the show more interest. We can take call in. Who want cuss we. And we can cuss them back. We're not afraid of nobody. So we need to up the thing. So we can turn up the thing loud. We need up the thing. I get some time when we go over Berry and fix up the part. That's something if you do show in our living room. Fix up the part. I mean, if you go over there and flip up the part there, map out right there so and set it up. You know what I mean? Yeah. So sometimes we can't come over here, so sometimes we can't do the show like what I like to. Me have to climb up on the sitting phone to see me. And me have fall on the little ladder. Over there so me have more space. When nobody go see me there, man, yard, wind up and half naked clothes and a sex me over there, sex. And that me I try to avoid. Because when you have a boyfriend, you think so, oh, you over there, so you have a naked sitting and dance. You know, people think, but right now I gotta do what I gotta do, dog. Sometimes I need to up the videos. I need to dance. I can see when I'm dancing, I can need space to dance. I don't have no space to dance. The world so far along with me. Yeah, so and so on. And so me end up by Daddy George now. And me did it. After me did it for a while now, clean up and fix up, and me plant one big ganja tree in my backyard and the flowers bend. The ganja tree come up so big and nice. He's like, whoa, Tina, that's a big one. I say, yeah, Daddy. And him like it, man, and him like it, and him take care of him with a little bush to me when he grow so big. When I time we say helicopter, two run me, I wonder if I with him I come from. But that was too late because I was ready for drive. We drive. We had a lot of many must roll and smoke together. Many must smoke some together sometime. Even though it was whole man, you have to enjoy life too. So I let him smoke him thing, and we smoke together and share cliff. We sit on the table, we eat, and we cook up big pot of fish and so on. And my bank account, me have money. Sometimes give me a 2,000 or 3,000, 1,000, 600, and give me what you want, give me. You know, help me out. Plus me have other money coming in. Like I said, you know, me I always have another one coming in, and so on. So things was like that, and me take care of the place. So the girl me I talk about, the fat Trinidadian girl, she used to live on the top floor. And then there's this other two man, one ex young boy live on the second floor, the one young girl on the second floor, and we live down at bottom. And then one ex big belly man used to live right next to me named Pete. And I think he was from Saint Lucia. He was from, I think, Saint Lucia. But he used to smoke a lot of crack. But he was fat, he was very fat. He was maybe like over 300 pounds and more. And he looked like a nice, decent man, but he smoked nothing but pure crack. And you see, anywhere crack, there a lot of crackhead come. And when they get them pay the first of the month, at the happiest time of them life, when they get the first of the month, when they get them check. When they see the first of the month, that's the time the dealer them come on with the cracker and sitting there, that's the time them come on, you know. The first of the month are the biggest time when they make money. Because they know that's when them getting the check. When them get film check and they get film check in by one heap, because enough money they get. Enough money they get, we don't get so much money for the job, and a good job, decent people, them, they end up like that, me don't know how. So when they get them check, they get a lot of money. And a one room, him was renting on one part, that's so. You know what I mean? So with that said, people might come in and I go out. Plus you have Dread used to be across the road, one of them called Dread. Him brother and him mother own the house there. Him never stop smoke crack. Him is a friend of him, so him come over to him, cross the road, and then chat and a whole bunch of crack, and then come in and out and all kind of sitting a galang. But back days was 10. Somebody there with Daddy George. One woman used to live across the street near Lynette. She used to marry to a Jamaican man. It's on the same street right across. But I never know she like woman. But she was an old woman. So I was in the kitchen cooking rice and peas and fish for Daddy George. And Daddy George was out front talking with her husband because, you know, they talk and so him like to talk. Daddy George like to walk and talk because he never sit down. All the way was a strong old man. So him like to talk and drink 2 beer and so on. I just see him, he's a good looking little old man. So anyway, out there and go out there in the kitchen and cook for him and cook up, make sure him strong and stay strong and take care of make him happy. Because I like when him happy and him look good since me come around in town young boy. In town young boy, and he want to show me off too. Him wasn't joking, he likes to show me off. Him said, no man, she's inside cooking up for me, man. When me look the woman coming like a woman, I always say hi to me. Me turn up at the kitchen and feel a big old wet kiss on the back of my neck. And the big old fucking woman could have been like my mama wet kiss me on the back of my neck. Me turn on, I was so fucking angry. I was gonna take the fish and give her one blood clot little head, you know. The woman come up back and me could have been my grandmother and take her tongue. I wet up the one my back of my neck and kiss her back of my neck. No, that's fucking out order. She come from the same country where the girl want to fuck me off and bite me for me go hospital. Where the place name when come from Barbados? Big up Barbados. I never remember to say big up Barbados. Big up Barbados. Sorry about that. She come from Barbados. The woman come with that big old wet kiss. With that big woman could have been near Lynette. She didn't come back a Barbados from foreign. She near Lynette. One big woman could have been mama. Whole age of the woman can't take out her teeth. Because sometimes she to come out of the door without no teeth in her mouth. She married to a Jamaican man. She used to work no phobia upon him. And he come in man and if I where you gone, me see him. I was surprised to see him. Pan full time saying around the house. And I think the wife was wrong because last time he get back with the wife from Jamaica. I guess the wife nobody come back. Yes, man. He said him alone and must have was sitting on the round there. So I was surprised. Me not hear talk about the wife. But me see him where there. Around 3 weeks ago, me da pass down Fulton Street, me see him. But big up Barbados, man. And I mean, never said big up Barbados before. And what a damn shame. And my brain, sometimes it's so much a place, girl, me can't even keep up with them. But me have to try and do better because I don't want people to feel funny because I love them too. And then come from Guyana too. And Trinidad too and all in place, the Antigua. Philadelphia. And what next place name again? Cayman Island and all them place there. You understand? A lot of my fans in Brazil. We not really talk about too much in places. California is a lot of places, you know what I mean? Me all the way in Italy and France, all the way in Pakistan and drag me go. That's why Pakistan man, I call a dry jerk after them stinking out. Because them see me in Pakistan. Especially when I put on a little clothes and me a dance pan live, then start to call enough. It come like when flies smell fish. You understand? I think them like me smell pussy through the phone. Them a run, come and see how them thirsty. Me now what kind of fragrance I go through the phone and where them smell, where them a run come so. Then thirsty like a dog, man. Lord Jesus Christ. Don't go time me thirsty, I would miss enough money. I swear to God. Don't go time me thirsty. Me love money, you know, girl. Don't go time me thirsty. Nobody can tell me fuckery, you know. Don't tell me fuckery because the money I want turn me on. You can't pretty like fuck. You can't pretty all you want pretty. That not turn me on. If you have money, go the prettiness, welcome. I get a better package. But me not going to smile until me see money. Because, the money not going to lead me astray. But at the same time, I need the money. Because I know that's what I need to get out of here. You see what I mean? For them want to come smile and take clean teeth and pretty teeth can trick you and fucking be good. When they don't get pretty smile and get pretty teeth, you kin up with them and kin up and say, oh, he's cute. And next thing, because of cuteness, getting a bag, all you get a little fucking come. When you fucking you come and you done, where you get out of the cuteness? Not a fucking thing. You fucking use you and gone just because you don't want to come. But you finger yourself. But you do that? Fuck is this? If some of them know the price of pussy, they wouldn't have your dash around so. But anyway, so Daddy George now was a nice little old man. So he sit down on the table and he tell me sometime. Him say, yes man, me regret. Because me and my kids in Jamaica. And he went back to Jamaica. Went back to the area when the girl come. The girl and her husband come from Queens. And the girl thief her mama property. She thief her mother house in Queens. She thief one next house in East New York. And she steal the one in Florida. And she changed what the name to her because her mother take sick, her mother take sick. So to her mother, but she have other sister and her brother was a police. But she like to thief property with lawyers, so she has a lawyer. So she come now and she the one a power attorney for the old man. So when she come and see me live by George, she get vexed, her eye full of water. Because George tell her, say, well, I have this young lady here helping me out and I want to put her on my will. The woman start to cry and for her business, Then start to hobby me. Then take them time and start to fucking hobby me. And then start, when the woman draw me, and she said to me, you don't have no right to be here and not paying rent. Me say, who fucking dare you, girl? In front of she and her husband. Me say, who blood clot dare you? Are you giving pussy for suck when you want? Me say, who dare you? That time my bleaching cream turn up on my head full of nice human hair, The logo here, that have the good logo here upon Snyder and Flatbush. Me look pretty now, look good, better now. That money a fucking spit dog. Me look upon her, me say, yeah, give him pussy for suck when you want. Well, if you can't fuck pussy, you have to suck pussy down the line. So therefore, me must give him something where you're not giving him. So how the fuck you going to tell me when me had upon the blood clot will? Why husband him attack like a woman, Him look like him don't get fuck 100 times in batty hole and she don't realize that. But she blindfold by the other way my girlfriend him. But you thief the property them now and thief up all the land and get lawyer and serve me paper for move. Then take with the man and carry me and hobby the poor old man. The man come back and act like him turn fool, like him a turn against me. Me say, rascal boy, yes. Yes. And I saw it go. And she have a daughter, one daughter she have, and you have the daughter like a egg. And the daughter got pick up with an African boy we must be good looking. But when me see that boy, I go and take him. She hook up with the boy and she live in a Georgie house upstairs. And the mama take over everything and then can make a coat. And I find an next apartment by the Jehovah Wickedness. At that time, I go find one apartment over the Jehovah Wickedness. Over by Dickmas Park at the Jehovah Wickedness woman. At that time, I go rent the place from the Jehovah Wicked woman for 950 a month. And the place name belongs to her. She was a blasted fucking thief. The Jehovah Wickedness. And me tell her, say, what happened now? Me end up now, after move out and me go to court. When me go to court, now I have the place where they take me to court. Me serve back the paper again and tell them me need more time. When me go to court now, she said, me show cause. Why she show cause? You have to go back and court to show her lie. Me show cause, you can't show cause. As long as you find a place and you cancel the place now already, you have a receipt, show that you rent a place, you have a place, the judge will give you more time to move. Because you're showing cause that you have the receipt, you have the number to the place you rent and can call the people, the place is wet with paint or something dry. Show cause to get more money, to get more time. So the runner said, so that is what y'all take her back here for? Y'all couldn't give her the time that she need to the place dry? You know? And I said, what I say? Thank you, baby. I said, thank you, baby. Hear the woman, no? Why you calling the judge baby? Why you calling the judge baby? You don't speak to a judge like that. Hear the judge, no? I think it's just nice. I think it's a sweet thing to say. Yes, baby. I think it's a sweet thing to say. Yeah, I think it's a really sweet. Don't you think to the court? The court say, yeah, motherfucker, them shame like dog. Shame like dog. Say yes, baby. The man say yes, baby to her. The judge is not a baby. You don't talk to the judge like a liar. The judge says, he's a Jewish judge too, you know. Your judge says right downtown Brooklyn. Don't you think it's a nice thing to say? Don't you think the audience say yes? He say yes, it is. Give her the time she need and get her go. Get out. Fuck her them vex. Me make up more nice and play more music in there. And then me get to go back to the bank and get some more money because then I'm going to get all that money after the drive. Throw me off for the wheel. So me tell Daddy Jar, I say, listen, me sister, yeah, change for me. And after all, listen, you need to go to the bank right now and I need $5,000. Him say, he can't give me $5,000 now. Me say, how much you can give me? Him say, probably I can give you 1,000. Me say, come on, man, I demand your head like that. You have to do better than that. You have to do better than that. Give me 3,000. All right, in we see. So me go up at the bank with him. When me go up at the bank with him now, me not inside of the bank. Me there right in between the two door them. Because he carry me up at the bank and sign my name and put $60,000 in my name. You understand? After me give him CPR and then come back to life. He put that in my name in the bank. He put in the camera for borrow money up and down. I help him out. Up and down at the hospital, I says, me for borrow, coming out of money for me. And he say, alright, me put your name because you really enjoy it. All this money you deserve to have something you take care of me. Have nobody forget it. Alright. So after that happen now, me end up now, stay behind this and me wait. When me go now and then go to the bank, he draw 3,000. He draw $3,000 and him hand me the 3,000. So to him say, go back and get me 3 more thousand while you can because I think this is the last of it. When me look through the glass, are the people let me see in the van park up in front of the bank. Let them wait for him to come out. So me still waiting and then go back in the line and get the 3,000. Thank God me get the 6,000. And me walk through the door, I just continue walk and go right back to the house. Then they come back down to the house with him. And so he go draw money and this and that they want to argue with me. Me don't have to fucking talk to you. Remember I'm a stranger. And you take me to court and I'm moving. Right? Me have no kind of deal. You can't come ask me nothing. Right or wrong? Nothing. And I pay for that place, bought some furniture and all that shit. And set up myself. And I still go over there. And continue cooking for him. And cleaning for him. Sometimes they not come. Then they go cook some up and steal food and put in a fridge for him for warm up days and days. And I tell him, say, they don't want me come there. They don't want me come there. And I saw them do. And go on to tell him, kill him. He call me and tell me, say, then over him and son sitting and fall down upon him like dirt upon his skin. He go doctor and can't find the complaint. And I told them want to take downstairs because them part of the house and fix up and redo the whole thing. All down his part him then and want him out. You know? The girl take over everything. She and her brother in a fucking court or mama. And sister them in a war for property where she thief. And she just take film property and them own for her house now. She put the house in her husband name and her daughter name. Because her name can't depend because she not so much scam already. He said me the last time he see me, he said to me, he said him feel me pass by and see him. And after he tell me that, he said me about some business, me have something to give you. I'm looking about a business.
And him reach for the dress and he take up $50 and put on me and I say, use this for your bus fare if you go home now. Come back and see me. And me don't know, maybe you can help me if you clean out the dopey them. Burn some frankincense and more, because I know you know some stuff. And help me because they out to kill me. And when I go back, me get a call and hear say him dead. Them say him dead. So he did warn me and tell me, so they keep asking for me. And me must go come close to them. So when them call me, they want me to go to the funeral. They want to go drop him in New Jersey. Because in New Jersey, Ray rest right next to his wife, kind of buy this spot and buy a casket put on. And in clothes put on, they have everything ready already next to his wife. So when they call me to go to the funeral, me never go. Because I just want to remember him the way I see him, the way I love him. The way I last see him, and I don't really want them to do me nothing by getting close to them. So I never really go and see them. I stay away. I talk to them and I was crying and I know how much I love him, and so I stay away. I didn't want to go because I didn't want to be next to them, because he warns me. He warned me. He said they're killing me and they're going to kill you. He warned me to stay away. So that is what happened. It's about 3 years, 4 years now. Yeah, about 4 years now. Yeah. Since he died. Yeah. I was living here when he died. Yeah. Yeah, I miss him because he was my friend, you know. He was a good buddy. He was a good sport, man. I mean, he could talk and he can give you jokes, you know. Yeah, he used to stay up and talk a lot. He said, yeah, man, we used to have one girl, man. I'm tell you, say, we see one girl, right? And it's like the girl of our boyfriend, and she moving. And she moving at the place, and told me, know the man have room in there. We move from which part, me there and go rent the room for the man, because I want fuck the man, woman. And me never stop until me get the girl and start screw the girl. He used to tell me something when do a man, how far man will take it, how far then we go just a pussy. So he taught me a lot of stuff. And he was a gentle soul. God bless him soul. He was a gentle soul. He travel a lot. And the ship, since we've been there, me fix him up so nice. And he get happy then take him on cruise. He go all about to Jamaica, try to find his kids, but he couldn't find nobody. One of his sister died first. And then the last one, she died. And then he died the last. So he was the last to die out of the 3 sisters, and the 2 sisters, and him make 3. Yeah. But he used to like to go to church every Sunday, and he likes to pray, and he really believe in God. He was a godly person. But he was more like a fun person like me, but also a godly person. He wasn't a person that believed in island powder and going to them something and do them something. They know it exists, but he wasn't a kind of person that into them kind of wickedness. He was a kind person. He go out in way for help people a lot and all them something there. He said, you know, that's the thing about drugs. He don't like girls taking drugs, you know. Because he had this one girl, and she was very, very pretty. I mean, she was really pretty, a black girl, and she used to live with him. That's before the crackhead one used to come there, he says. And she used to live with him, but she liked to get high. And she goes to Flatbush and she hang out with some people, and she was getting high. She was hanging out with people that she didn't even know. But she was getting high with people and shit. And he said he heard her screaming at the door coming in. Said she don't feel good and shit. You know, she coming back from Flatbush. So he put her in the bed to lie down and call the ambulance. And by the ambulance get here, she died in the bed. She died from the drugs she took. Whatever she took on who she was hanging out with, he kills her. So it's a lot of things he taught me. A lot of things, you know, he don't like, and a lot of things, you know. Yeah, he was a good man. He was a good person. Very good person. I could tell you get rest in heaven. If anybody go to heaven, I know he go to heaven. Because he was a good man. He really was. So he was really kind to me. He was really, really kind to me. I never want for nothing. Sometimes I used to wake up in the morning and find envelope behind my door. $500, $600, sometimes $1,000. Go get your nails done. You know, I like to get my nails done and look nice and shit. And I go and get them done and something like them. I used to work out a lot. And one day, he decides to carry me up at the bank today. He want to hold and walk all the way from Fulton Street to feel pussy like him a young boy. The time about was 75, I got 80. Like him a young boy. Yeah, all. Hold on for me and you want to see me and then me well friend my body. You know, everybody look for me. He hold on for me and tight, man. In all they go in Tina. Everybody know him and in Tina. Yeah, man. But the big woman come there now because she and him was a friend, and the husband was good friend with him, and then come all the while. The woman come right in the kitchen and put her big old wet kiss. A kiss on the back of my neck. She near Lynette. Me have to turn on to the woman. Me say, why don't do that? Me say, don't do them. Don't do that. I said, what are you doing? She said, I'm just playing, you know. I said, don't do that. Don't do that. That's not appropriate. Don't do that. When I start talking to her, she'll take time to turn up until she left and gone back out. Yeah. When he died, he was 95. But if I was around him, he would have been still alive now. I know for a fact. If I was around him, he would have been still alive today. I know for a fact. Because the first time when he died on me, I bring him back to life. And that's because he smoked the weed and ain't eat nothing. You know what I mean? So what I'm saying is just, if I was around him, he would have been still alive today. But it's all about money for some people. The people life don't value when you put your fucking money and your property in their hand. You don't value them fucking more. They didn't want to see you around. It's like you become a stumbling block in their way. They didn't even know how you come by your shit. Some people is very ungrateful and greedy. Very ungrateful and very fucking greedy. I'm telling you. Some people are. Very ungrateful and very fucking greedy. You give them something, they don't want to see you live no more. They want to take the little bit where you have left. They can't satisfy the way you give them. Sometimes better you don't give them shit. Will it to somebody else you know need it and don't give them nothing. When you find a person greedy like that and don't to kill for your own thing like that, you know you got dead anyway, you're sick, you have cancer or something, don't will it to them. Will it to somebody else who you know it's good. Will it to a poor woman or a poor man of the woman you know the children are suffer. Will it to somebody make good sense out of it. Will it to somebody have a good heart you know the church is going to help your kids them or somebody know good. Will it to them, don't will it to them fuckers. When them things say when I read the will said, you fucker, you get nothing. That's what the will is supposed to say. When them things say them all get up and them dress up and come and will now. I read the will. And for you, the will says, fucker, you get nothing. That's the answer. Fucking wicked them. All parasite them. Yeah, goody. I don't like them things, you know. It's wrong. A person die them own time. Some of them are jokes you. Them are do all kind of sitting. You can't even trust nobody. You're married to them. Some of the man nowadays, you have a little property, you have a little house, and you're married to them. Then fucking start a woman out the door, younger woman than you. Then find you attractive because you're a businesswoman. You're working, you're making money, you got money in the bank. They start coming around you. Soon as they start coming around you, start fuck with them, you realize they start get sleepy. You're tired all the while, your body feel like your body can't make you wonder, oh, you're so tired. Motherfucker, have you drenched in sleep. Fucking sleeping, feel like crushing your food, I put shit in your food. I keep you fucking drowsy and sleepy. So you can't go fucking woman and do what you want for you don't fucking want. I use you want to use you. Somebody don't mind if you're fucking dead. They don't fucking give a fuck if you're dead. Because they don't marry to you already. If you're dead, everything belongs to them. You know, fucking sign a prenup. You fucking sign a prenup. So when you fucking anything happen to you, everything belongs to them. Some of them about we are married to them, take out insurance for your life. Insurance for your child life. The child we are going on a marriage with. You understand me? Because they know the person dead how much insurance them are going to get. They can't just not a blood clot body with your life. Your life is important at this point. Fuck out of here. Somebody run for get blood clot life insurance because they know the way up to. Then take time to start fucking drench with all kind of shit. If you make your hood not work, your hood can't stand up, you can't get fuck them way you want. You want a damn hood used to get hard all the time. How the fuck my hood used to get all the time? I can fuck so hard. All of a sudden, me tired of sleeping, my hood now come up good. Fuck out of my drench with something in your meal. Make your hood now stand up like how it used to stand up. Then how to fucking trick you. Stop nyam from them. Stop nyam out your refrigerator when you suspect a sickness. And you start getting sick, you don't know where the sickness come from. Stop eat how you eat. If you eat out of your own kitchen and you get sick out of your fridge and other people live with you, stop nyam out there completely. Buy water for drink, you carry a drink out the road. You hide and bring your purse, you drink it. You hide when you come in your house, you drink your water. And see if your sickness left. Then you know somebody has put something in your food. A lot of people do a lot of fucking wickedness. A lot of wickedness. Because they have a way about them. When they rat out your gut, make your belly rat out completely. You understand me? And enough of them try that shit. Because of one thing Daddy George always teach me. Don't drink from nothing from nobody. Because when the woman upstairs, she rent upstairs one next woman. And she have all like a young girl come there if you can't tie them man. And she doing all kind of hobby, all kind of voodoo shit she do upstairs. And when Daddy George asks her and tell her, you know, you're gonna have to leave. Then spray up all kind of red and all kind of satanic sign pan the man house and do all kind of fuckery pan the man house. And she have one son also. And her son is up there with her doing that fuckery. She have one daughter, the daughter not live there. But the daughter come and collect enough money and go buy up expensive things with the mama. And she there reading and do her hobby upstairs, a bundle up fucking at the man house. The man want her out. Carry go court him want to get her out there with her voodoo shit and what she had do. And she and him used to talk and she not deal with him. And then she come on and try to be friends and take time a friend and take time a friend the man. Instead of no, she come so nice and a friend him. Yeah, so I take time a friend him. So I wonder why he take time a friend him. What is going on? Anyway, the woman saying that she want to make peace. And she bring some bottle of drink for him. One kind of wine, something when like for drink or whatever. She carry 2 bottles for him. For drink. And she make peace with him and she give him. So one ex-woman friend that used to come there. Because say one time the woman try a trick. When he got there for the rent, the same woman said she have voodoo. Her son never did it. And she said if he come. And when he come and think if he come, the woman butt naked as the day she born. The woman come butt naked to him and tell him come inside. He said come inside for what? And come for the rent. The woman come and say come now. He said no, I want my rent. And he turn back. And so the woman make peace with him. And try to friend him. And give him the drink. And she fall out. With her friend we are come there. And the friend and Georgie had it friend too, you know. And she and her friend fall out. And the friend said to him, did she give you 2 bottles of drink? And Georgie said, yes. She said, I hope you never drink none. He said, no, I not open them yet. She said, you would be a dead man. He said, what you mean? She said, you know what she do? If you take your bare foot, without no dirt by your foot, your bare foot, you come out of socks or shoes, your bare foot, and take some fresh water and wash your 2 foot them with it. Just keep rinsing the foot them with the fresh water. And take that water and throw it into a container. And put it in the fridge for 9 days. It stink like a dead man. You rotten out the whole of your belly. So the woman wash her foot them with the water and put them down for 9 days. Mix it in the drinks and whatever and give him for drink for rotten out in belly. So I eat. She come with friend and come and tell him. And he was working upon her ass until she left. I must have left her son in the place. And she must have go down south so she have one church fall down upon her and kill her. The boy must have end up hanging himself for that evil become. And that will become of them. Son and mother. Son hang himself, mama church fall down upon her and kill her. Yes. Oh yes. So that's how wickedness go. That's how wickedness go. When you don't pray to God, you believe in a fucking voodoo. And shit, that's how your outcome is going to be. Your outcome is going to be fucking bitter. Your outcome is going to be fucking bitter. Believe that. Because some of them don't believe in God. Me believe in God even though me a sinner. And me always going to believe in him. Me always going to believe in him. But some of them don't believe, then don't want to believe, then don't want to pray, they don't even want to try. Then all them I think about for drink liquor all day, all night, go party go pick up woman or go pick up man. Not never man go on a party. And fucking waste money and buy much expensive dress for go a party. Me rather buy an expensive dress to walk up and down out the road. Go spend me and shoot up with them one go a party, you know. Can go party, go fucking wind up in your clothes and ruin your nice clothes. You know this crowd that shove through liquor and cigarette, all kind of sit over your nice clothes. You go a party, go take liquor and get in your brain and get junk in your brain. And feel fuck up and get hangover the next day. And waste some money buy the clothes you wear go out. Get stay with that shit, ever buy something next time you go again. And wasting your fucking money when you could have eat some good food and lie down in the bed, relax and look fresh and look nice. Watch 2 movies and relax your brain, please. Not too much work for me if you get up and go party every minute, so I can't do it. That's why I tell us the music business will never go sting. I get up every day, I go party. I can't do it, Papa. I cannot do it, me tell the truth. I cannot do it. Some girl, every party, them after their next party. Them are dress up like in the runway, wasting all that money. I mean, I say you can't go enjoy yourself sometime. And the best way to go to party if you go party is to wear sneakers, a tights, a t-shirt. That's the best way to go when you go into a club. You wear a tights, you wear a t-shirt, you wear like a fit blouse, and you fucking dance because the exercise, you exercise. Use it to be fun, to work out. You drink water. If you want to smoke it with the way you want, you go in. And you fucking dance with the music in your tights till you wait and work out for the whole night. You come home and feel good. You're going to shower and wash off yourself and eat it and go to wake up feeling fit. Kind of taking no alcohol. So this whole for alcohol and this big old eye boot. You want to have fun, put on something comfortable for your foot. Put on your little tight, your little blouse, you feel come like a dance and feel good and you burn a lot of calories, your body look good. So when if you go party, you get result out of it. Very good health benefit. You not waste your time. But go up in this big old aisle boot. It's Wolper sitting and carrying the big old eardrum and sitting and dry you down. And stand up on them boot, lean up because they too heavy on the boot. Lean up on the side and try to look cute. Some of them clothes are bust out because it's too tight when them sit down in a stretch. It's fuckery. Put on a tight. If me I go party or some other party, a tight and a comfortable sneakers for my foot. If I want like a cheap tight flat sneakers, I want like a nice little blouse. You're going to say, oh, I'm going to go party one night. When the summertime come, I'm going to right up in the light and show them when we go up and I go to exercise. Then fucking look for me. Think I care? A bust sweat. That you go up in there for work out. You go pay it all $20 a door. That's a gym fee. Right there so. Somebody want $25 a door. A gym you go. You go up in there to go drink liquor and spend more money buy liquor. You fuck up your liver, your kidney. Go up in that bitch you go come company for that you want. Drink some water with your sneakers and your bumbo cloth like a shirt and dance. Just dance. You wake up feel so good the next morning. I don't lie, me I tell you the truth, me I talk, I don't know what truth. Today me have 43 today. I'm a 43-year-old woman today. Today I turn 43. Now you think you may go for your fun anytime when someone decides to go have fun. Me go freaking put on a sneakers and a t-shirt and want sitting because it must benefit you. What is sense you go party every night you're still fat? You still look worse. You still have fucking got the department store to try forcing a clothes that can't fit you. And you go party every night? You go party in this aisle boot you can't walk good and lean up on the side. The fucking dress, they can't fit the fat and they still like them. And you stand up with the long nails and for contour makeup with the long Indian hair come down. And this wool cellulite and the waist trainer stuck in your waist and style for you. Stand up with the finger them cock off with diamond for your finger and drink champagne and you got big no blood clot. We have blood clot tights and a t-shirt when you go party and make yourself comfortable and dance and tone up your body. Just see where you go party for. Fuck you go party, you get fat and fat every week, you go party, you dance, you dance. You go turn up in there like a runway in the pan. Like you look for some special gift from God. I don't know. Special gift is stop fucking yam too much and come a party just to come turn up like on a touch. And turn up like on a go lay a blood clot. You can't dance on the bung book like boot, eh? Put on flat shoes, stacking and sitting. Flat shoes, tights. Make it be pretty cute. Cut up something, cut up one little piece of jeans and put over your sitting. Cut up your t-shirt. You're going to that bitch to fucking dance. You getting down. You like, bitch, I'm getting down. You ain't wasting the fucking money. Nobody can control it. You're not fighting nobody. Yeah. You bring a little piece of weed with them when they get bored and go back in the bathroom. You smoke and get high again. You drink some more water. You come back up on the floor like a motherfucker. Push them out the way in the crowd. Push them out with your two and you go into the fucking crowd, son. Left and right. Everybody get out my way. You take the stage for yourself. And you dance. You keep dancing like that. You become famous, not blood clot. Everybody eyes on you. You're making a difference. Every woman start to watch you say, damn, I go wear sneakers the next time I come to booty, I kill me. Not true, Jai. I go try to do what a girl there do. Then I see them come and wear the flat sneakers with the pretty socks. And it's a pum shot with the stocking and start giant and start follow you. When you look, you lose no feet, everybody look good. You don't have a little program, everybody I hear about you. You start taking it out to run with that shit everywhere the club start, everybody I hear about you. All the fat women, them want to go party at night time, now go party, go waste their money no more. Them all look better and better when they go party at night time. How the fuck you got so big you go to drink champagne and cock off long nail? And the nail so long, I don't know how you wipe the shit out of your body hole. I don't know how you wash your clitoris and skin over like a part of the cheese lay up in her. I don't know how you do it. I don't know how you clean it. These long damn nails with all these sparkling diamonds, you just too long. I say you can't get a nail done. But the extra long till it curve round. It's like a scoop of shit. I don't know what to call it. Because you look like you scoop the shit and rings out your nail because I don't know how you wipe your body with that. You can't cut your body cracker with me. I must gauge mine and cut it and I don't have no nails. So that's what I'm saying. And you turn up to the corner with these long nails. And why these women, their body so big? And it's good to have good body because God make everybody feel skinny. But some of them are not so God make uno continue eating too much of the McDonald's and the Burger King and the Popeye and red blood clot, big fucking red boy Randy. With a big old red ribbon on her head side. I know where she come from, who she Wendy, but she's not black. Wendy is not a black woman, and Wendy don't give a fuck about you. And Mr. McDonald's, and Mr. KFC, Mr. Cockfucker Sucker, whatever KFC we mean. You know what I mean? So, I mean, that shit wasn't made for us to eat. That shit is poison to your system. But then I get a look at it, it's only mostly black people eat KFC. It's mostly black people eat McDonald's. It's mostly black people eat any of them fucking Chinese food. It's mostly black people. Because the white people in China, them not doing it. We are such a damn fucking fool. They're not doing it and nobody want to understand. I mean, first of all, you know what? I said to myself, I could make a little extra money on the side. Anybody in Brooklyn, which is my goodie, that can afford to pay me some money, I can give and do like a cooking class. I can make rice and peas. I can come and help you cook some rice and peas and whatever. Nobody can try capture me and try kidnap me. But I can show you how to cook. Anybody that don't know how to cook for a small price. So if you have any young girls that don't know how to cook and so on, I could train them how to cook. I could come by a certain time and give them the class how to cook. Celebrity style. Yes, man. So like I said to you, I'm trying to do a lot of different program. It's just so much things we have inside me that is the money we want to explore them. Cause it's a lot. It's a lot. But then go a party and every single week I go a party and you're so fat. And you dance. You don't fucking dance, you go a party. You fucking go party, you turn up in a corner. You must be standing up or sitting on a bench. I couldn't fucking dance, you go dance, you look so. Cause every week you get fatter and fatter and the clothes look worse and worse. And you got money. And like say you don't have no money. Spend all that money by the Indian ear, tick by your head, long down your body like say you're Indian. Enough money for that. And your body way overweight. No, sir. You have a cut down on the body. You have enough Indian ear, cut down on the body. Because the Indian ear cannot cover the body. Cannot cover the body. And it can't make the body look good. It cannot make the body look good. No matter how much pack of the ear put in, it still not make the body look good. You might buy a lot of ear, because a lot of women when them like really out of shape, then they want to try if you do nothing at all. I mean, I say me not out of shape, but you know me real out of shape, then all they can walk. Then put on a lot of Indian ear, like say, well, it a go cover for because, you know what I mean? And the nails them. A lot of women are very over, you notice them toenail is very pretty. My foot them tough, no blood clot, look like a beaver. But for them foot pretty. Them foot pretty, them face pretty, and so on. Them nails. But everything else in between. It's like a trademark they have in America. It's most in America I see that. A lot of women have seen that. They have a lot of nice feet. They get their feet done. They get their nails and them face look good and a bad looking. But when it comes to find the breast and the body and the waist, the body gone in, the belly come way out and the breast big. And then, me no know. It's just like something went wrong. It's like a crutch stick and two legs. And then the crutch... You know, I don't criticize women because I'm a woman myself. Because sometimes I look like a swell frog. Sometimes I do look like a swell frog. And I can admit it that I look fucked up sometimes. Yeah. Like the other day I look at my coat. I was like, Jesus Christ, this is unsanitary. You know, it's really big. But I didn't realize it's a colon cleanse I need. So after I take the colon cleanse, she come down flat. I said, Jesus Christ, it dropped down flat. See, I mean, that's so much waste was in my body. I don't know. So I mean, at least me speak the truth. You know, I mean, I come like somebody will lie. Just continue lying. That's not my style good. You know, me love, you know. I lie? Yeah, me love on my birthdays, but I don't give a fuck. I would waste time with one more anything else. Because I can't put the phone with charge and come back on one again. But I don't know what to do to them more. I'm going to get some of that jerk chicken and rice and peas or a berry side. And so on. And I want to put on my birthday dress. I think I should put on my birthday dress. Don't I deserve to wear my birthday dress? But when am I going to be in my birthday dress with my ear look like this? I don't want to see my birthday dress. But I don't have no stocking. If I say stocking, I'm supposed to wear the dress. I'm planning to put on my birthday to what I stocking so I go bust out in a whole goodie on my leg. That's not gonna good. And I can't remove the glitter them. I can't remove them. So I don't know, maybe if I spend money and buy one out the road, I must say $7.99. I don't have much money goodie. And the African guys sometimes have them for $7.99, the plain one them. Maybe if I walk go out there and say, me get one, I could have used that with the dress. But my ear not done. What would I do with my head tap now? I don't know. I have pack of braids there. I could have take out this and make some big fat braids. Because I take out this and make some big fat bread pan the top, but I don't have the time to go down here, no goodie. want to put on my little birthday dress, man. I really love that dress. I really want to put on my little birthday dress. At least I'm not getting a cake, at least I'm like a birthday dress. Yeah, if you see it, I think you would like it. No, I can't show you. I have to wait till I put it on. But I'm going to take the fun out of it. If I show it to you now, it's going to take the fun out of it. You wait till I put it on. Okay? But I love the dress. Like I told you, I bought it in Spice Store. The store that Spice buy clothes from. So that means it had to be it's a nice dress. And I said that was good for my birthday. Teeth them look whiter. Teeth them look whiter today. Teeth them look whiter to them that whiten them. You see what happened? Me drink a lot of coffee. By tomorrow, I gone back brown. By tomorrow, this time, and change color again. And the coffee. The pussy will I can't talk about, I can't chat around off the mouth. It's a coffee. I want teeth I want to take out taste, but the coffee. See, still not my teeth all the time. Coffee. I make my bleach and go with the coffee again. The coffee. No? Notice they look a little brighter today. Look a bit brighter today for children. Look a bit brighter. No, it look a bit brighter today. So something now, yes or no? Be honest, man. They look better yesterday. Alright, that good. See the boy come cuss me, so my teeth don't look nasty yesterday. Eh? And the coffee, you know me smoke a little weed too, you know that. But me try to keep them up, because my body come cuss you good. Yeah? Yeah, me love her now. Yeah, me love her now, man. Yeah. You know, sometimes I fucking stress, me even bleach them, because I brush them and go, but me stress sometimes. Everybody have problem, and I'm going at me perfect, you know, goody? Yeah, so now I'm stressed, man, bother with shit. You know what I mean? You know what I hate the most with the Chinese them? It's like when you go to the Chinese them to get your foot done, right, goody? You know my foot them is big, and I wear size 10. I'm not afraid to tell her that. And you know some girl then go to the place and get them foot look pretty. Them foot look like, why she even bother get her foot and foot look good same way? But even coming up and do the pedicure every minute and do pedicure, every minute them do it. Then come in and do it every minute. A pedicure in him? Every minute them come in and do it. And if foot look, you can't say them foot never need it, but them do it same way. So when we go in my foot now, when I go for pedicure for 2 years and slam me down. To slam it fuck down. It's like them get frightened, it's like an alarm go off. When I go in and take off my shoes and I say pedicure, I go and take out my foot and I slam them down. You can't say fucking woman vex. You can't say I countenance fucking change, but me don't care cause guess what? It's like you supposed to come in with dirty feet and leave with a clean foot. You're not supposed to come in with clean foot. So when I come in with big old foot and I slam them down and you put the water and then something drop in the water start to splash like take time. Take time, water. I said no it's water. Put my foot in the water. And I soak them and tell them say want to come more warm water. Then put the blue something and sprinkle like water. I said no. No like that. No like it, it's good for feet. I said no, me not like that. Don't put it. Me have Johnson foot soak in my bag. Me go to my purse, me take out the Johnson foot soak. Where you buy are the best one. Don't make them use the blue sitting and put by your foot. They have one blue salt sitting when they put in the water and make your foot tough like a cow skin. Then do it and put it by your foot and make a box of water for your foot and clean it. And the next couple of days when you walk out to heel back look dirty like you never get a pedicure. It kinda look blackish color. And all your scrub you can't change the color. It look dark. And the blue something when they put by your foot and make your foot bottom tough. Like when you walk a Jamaica long time on foot pump, I go bush all about your foot get tough. Yeah, the tough skin there. When you come and change, when you come to America after a while, it change off, it gets softer. Right? I saw your foot feel tough with the blue sitting, one salt blue sitting. When I'm done, then take a night and take some cheap soap, it's only like a brush your toenail. So I put this soap, Dr. Shorts, Johnson foot soaking in the water. I soak up all the dead skin off your foot. So you have to get your foot a terrible clean, because everything swell up big and nasty for your foot. Because I know it's soak out it good. So when I slam it down here and put it and it soak up and they come up now and they see it. Nah, someone, come in, one, can he? One, no, ten more, big foot, nasty foot, big foot, fucking big foot, nasty. Try more money, come look and see, come on look and see. Bitch nasty, big foot size 11 foot, 11 foot. Bitch take my foot 11 foot 10. Me know what she has in her fucking language, but me not going to thump on her blood clot, yay. Me want my foot clean today. I mean, I want no problem with nobody. That's why I saw me just try cleaning myself from the home. No matter. Because all the boys me get no problem because of my foot them. Because they want to overcharge me because the size of my foot and the way them look dirty. The way them look, them must want to come fucking take one come go like so my foot is coming like from World War II. Or where them say the foot I come from, me no know. But to me the foot them is good, them strong, there's a strong motherfucker. They go put me out with my foot, they mash up my shoes, them very quick, they come like tornado. And I put in one shoes, he bust up my shoes, come like tornado. Because I used to wear shoes when me young. And I understand that. But now I'm in America, I pay my money, so I can get my job done properly without nobody complaining on my fucking feet, whatever size it may be or how it may look. You run a fucking foot place, you don't expect to see every foot come inside looking good. You expect to see all kind of foot, monster foot, all kind of foot, child foot, murder foot, all kind of fucking foot, sick foot, diabetes foot, all kind of fucking foot come up in that bitch. You know what I mean? And they're using the same nasty shit on your fucking feet. And they want to talk about beach foot, nasty foot, look at beach, December beach. They come into this place, they put a pocket place, small money, big foot, two price. Big foot, 2 fucking price. They tell me $10 more. $10 more. Put something in my foot smooth. Foot nice. $10 more. We don't want $15 more. Nice. Yeah. Me say no. Put the doctor sure and you wash your scrubby. Put it against and fix. When it clean and this and thing, no. Me say alright, put on a little extension on the 2 big nails and bring them out some more. And put some diamond stone on them. And so on the small toe, I have just a little white line pan them there. Pan there, so yeah. How much is the bill when me done and the fingernail? $60 for me hand and my foot. For the 2 little nail for my big toe, I polish and clean. And this one and two and it is $60. Yes, as I go. Them fucker no easy, I tell you. That's why you have to slam your big foot down in the water and make sure your foot dirty when you go in there. You can't be going with a clean foot. Don't go in with a clean foot. Your foot dirty, you walk on, you know you're going to clean them down. You know how clean them next week. You start walking on barefoot from this week. Because they're too damn out harder. You understand me? Me no wicked. When me wicked, when me not spend my money, wicked with what me do wrong. Yo, as long as the old house you live in, where dust always a fall. You see I mean, I sometimes rat bringing dirt. Just walk around barefoot. And then you put on your old sneakers, nobody wash it. And then you go in, you go slam it in the water, make it soak. Bitch, foot, look. Your boyfriend like your foot? Yeah, boyfriend like my pussy. Don't worry about my foot. And my foot I rub on him dick and my pussy sweet him. What not to think? Well, I lash for you. $25 for you. I lash for you. Boyfriend like for you. Lash. Make you beautiful. Say what if you say me so blood clot ugly? I hear a lash to put on my eyes to make me beautiful. That's the only time my boyfriend gonna like me. No. You nice. $25. Okay, give me $20 for you. I take a $5. $20 for you. Do eyelash nice for you. Boyfriend like for you. Yeah, I like you. Nice lady. Nice bumper clot lady. I try a blood clot rob me. And put on it. Put on it. I'm say, okay, go for it. Go away. Put the lash. Skin up your lash like this now. Then put it in one chair. And skin back your eye. You can't even fucking blink. You can't even fucking blink. I dare you fucking blink. Your body like bumper clot when you pussy your body and when it would take you. Fucking have your eye back like this. You burn your blood clot. I burn you. You have to stay steadfast on the bumper clot price for the 2 little stinking dirty lash them. When full up of dust, you pick out of the pack. Somebody can't see the dust from far. Dust, you can't see like a fucking cobweb dust. You know the corner where they keep them. And then when they keep them like a container and close man cart the jar. They have them dust on one old table with a cobweb on the table and sitting on for dust upon the lash them. Like you can't take one brush and brush off the dust them and then start apply them. You understand? Start apply them, now she put apply them, look now. When me looking at it, look funny, me said, no, there's a big space. Because, one more lash here, put it your eye. Me now walk outside of there feeling fucking bossy. When me go and look on it, me said, no, this thing is too, the lash look very thin. It look very fucked up. One part gone this so like this so. Like somebody stepping on my face. Me don't know how it looks so. And then me go on my bed, and then the disaster start. At that time, I know so that me eye catch disease, gonorrhea from the bumper clot lash them. Me eye start to scratch me. Then by man, me eye post up, me eye catch gonorrhea. He scratch me so tail. Me take warm water and soap and wash my lash. I wash and I try to make it easy it off of my damn eye. Cause it swell up big and pussy, a gonorrhea and my blood clot. Yeah, gonorrhea. Either the Chinese woman have gonorrhea and she scratch her pussy and put the gonorrhea on my lash, or the fucking lash woman have gonorrhea. And she talk about a human lash. Me know where the fuck she get it from, but he got gonorrhea. Me know that for a fact. Because my eye catch gonorrhea. Me never see gonorrhea on pussy or dick before, because me never catch it on my crutches yet. Me never catch gonorrhea before. Some would know how it is down there, but me catch it on my eye. Because it pussy and me burn my eye. And they say when you have gonorrhea, the man pee, it burn him penis and it pussy. And the same thing happen to my eye. That's why I know say gonorrhea the woman put on my eye. You think them fucking Chinese people respect you? Then don't respect a dollar when you give them. They fucking put gonorrhea in your eye, or herpes in your bumbo clot eye. It's a joke. Fucking joke. Fucking eye swell up big and full of fucking pus. I try to find some kind of doctor to look for my eye. My eye was a living disgrace. All around the veil of my eye has a swell big and red. Come like water they right across here. So the two of them pus up and swell big. Pure gonorrhea pus come out of my eye. You understand me? My somebody said she make him talk to nobody with a coat line yellow sitting. A gonorrhea come out of my eye corner. Wolf a yellow sitting. I'm gonna try to get off of my eye. God bless me, Vaseline, me pick it, me do all kind of sitting. Till I make up my mind and rip it. It was real painful. And take it out of my eye. All my lash them come out with it. When my wall is I can say, my lash, I'm like a white root and pan it. Will come right out them with no lash at all. Me end up not even with one eyelash from my eye. So it's like last night, if I fight, we take off the next one, take out some lash from yesterday to last night, same thing. When me get that, me had to get that shit off my eye. Everybody was looking at me yesterday. I had to fight and get it off last night. Next time if I try, just make it be a itch up on here, easy to come off. Yeah. So that's what happened. You go to them Chinese, you get all kind of disease in your eye. Because somebody ear the lash them dirty and full of dust. And they just take up here and put it in your eye and put it in it. My eye nearly kill me. And but it, you know, like the look when you start look for the first day, look nice and so, and then boy, I said, I come back a Utica again. The time for the youth, live a Utica. Around, I was around 4 years ago. Yeah, around 4 years ago. Find Utica again. I go and China man up and go get my lash done again and try it one more time. I put it on my eye, I the same thing. My eye swell so fucking big, right up on Sterling. My eye swell so fucking big. My boyfriend said to me, I said, no man, your eye look really bad now. I mean real big. And at the same thing, I have to go and pop out here and get it off again and have no lash. And I decide, because I couldn't see out of my eye. One part of my eye, I have blind spot. When I look, I can't see where it's clear and one spot of my eye is dark. Make my lens now pick up none at all. My eye infected real bad. Swell big like somebody a beat me on my face. Two of them swell big till they nearly shit. And for that, I say fuck away with the Chinese and nasty bumbo clot gonorrhea lash. Twice they give me disease, now my blood clot, yeah. They give me gonorrhea twice. They give me gonorrhea down upon bumbo clot Fulton Street. And they give me gonorrhea right as upon fucking, right as upon you take the Chinese boy down there, you know, this old. You want to go like my faggot, the same dirty one there. I no respect for Batman. I call him faggot, my bumbo clot Batman. You understand? Because my girlfriend them not act like that. My undercover so cocky war. I can't talk about a bathroom, no views bathroom, fucking bright. I put him in a place, you see? The whole dirty lash where right now people lashes. So all these bitches them line up nowadays, them put on the whole pa lashes, them pan the eye. Some of them never look good. I mean, I can't nobody ugly, but some of them ugly bad. I not can't nobody ugly, because they must say me ugly, but yeah, but me, nobody not supposed to ugly. Some people still have them own looks. And they're not ugly, but when they put on the lashes, make them ugly bad. That's what I'm saying, and them themselves ugly. And they sitting what them put on. And then put on a whole for the lash and they make it big and thick. And them things they make them look better, but it don't look better, it look worse. It don't look better because it's not punishing, it's wool for glue stick up on your eye. And then you have some for matter in your eye. Or either for a big bug lay egg in your eye, some for white egg in your eyelash them. For white is in your eyelash. You look cranny man like a bug in your eye, like maggot. In the lash itself. If you go wear the lash and you can't clean, forget that out, it make no sense you're weird. Because a lot of women miss with that and it don't look good. But whitey sitting on the lash. It really look nasty. It look cranny like a whole egg. When you look close. It's a whole bunch of like a white scenting right in the lash itself. It look nasty, man. It look funny. And my skin has scratched me. It look funny. You know me I talk about? You know me I talk about? Skin scratch me, man. I think about them sitting there. You have some like a white something like when I used to have lice and me a pitney. That's how I feel. So me a pit me have lice and lice them. So like the egg them. Look a whitey lice egg them. But they eat corner. And so it's still in I lash them. Yeah, because they have lice in the lash them. And I don't tell you. They have lash and lice in them. So when a girl come fuck around with me, because when a girl want to come in a long lash, come fight me, grab her and put her lash. Now I grab her by the ponytail, I grab her by the lash. Grab her by the lash is easier to contain one. That's the whole I have on the lash and I say, bitch, you talking to me. Ungrip that shit. Just use a finger like a little hook and just, yo, while she fucking kept talking and fucking run her fucking mouth, you just set a finger kind of where you aim for. Bitch don't know where you aim for. She thought you gonna grab this shit. Hell no, you don't need that shit. Make sure you go on. Because if you grab her with one and you grab this and grab one of them, you have a total control. You understand? You don't fucking talk that shit. And you aim it, boy, you grab this, you grab this. You grab the lashes and you hold her hostage by the two of them. I reckon you hold the two of them and just lead her around. Bitch, you gonna shut the fuck up you talking to. It's only to lash them. It's very easy to capture them, you know, when they run them fucking mouth. Because they don't listen. You know what I mean? They set your finger like a fucking hook and then she keeps talking. You just fucking get that shit and hold on pan it. And by she scream, you grab the other one. You hold them fucking two lashes and hold that bitch hostage. She try to fight you off, she only damage your fucking lash. Bitch, you try to fight me off to get off them damn lash, you ain't got no brain, you might lose your eyes. So the best thing you do what the fuck I say, I follow if I say to follow, sit if I say to fit, and fucking shut your fucking beak if I say shut your fucking beak. Because ain't nobody could save you when you ain't hanging onto them damn lash. You're worse than grabbing onto your hair. Because bitch fight all the time when they put out their hair and put out their weave. But when it comes to damn lash, them long lashes y'all be wearing, don't let that bitch hang on to them now. Nah. I bitch hang on to the shit like that, it gonna be some sign, huh? So you all stop running up your mouth, because if a bitch try to fight me and I can fight you and you're winning them long lash, I'm going to hold on to your lashes extension. I am going to hold on to them just like a monkey hold on to the zoo, the thing in the, we call it, in the wilderness, the string and it's sitting them and swing down upon them. Like Tarzan, swing right down. I'm holding, just hold him and set for the lash. While she talking that hot shit. While she that hot bitch. Motherfucking bitch. Fuck out of here, bitch. You know this, you know that. Who the fuck you think you talking to, ho? Bitch, you don't know me, ho. You don't know me, bitch. Ah! Let me, bitch! Bitch! I dare you, bitch! Bitch! Grandma, for the next one, I hold it to them. Bitch, I dare you! I dare you, bitch! Bitch, shut the fuck up. Follow me. Bitch! Better say nothing, bitch. Better shut the fuck up. Bitch, just hold on to the two damn lash. I ain't got them on now, but if you had them on, hold them bitch like that, you're gonna have enough to grab on. And you're gonna grab them faster than the way I grab this. Cause you got length. You just stay forward like a butterfly and you pick. And you hold on to them. Bitch latches start flattering like a flat butterfly in your blood clot and fuck they talking to. Yeah, grab on the bumbo clot lash and hold on upon them. Suck your mother, what that drop a girl? Fuck is this? Happy birthday to me. Drinking white wine. White wine. Well, that's what I can afford. Yes, man. I hold them bumbo clot fucking yeah, I hold them hostage by them blood clot lash. If I take your man in your house, I play my pretty girl and pretty over you. And you know with them bumbo clot lash, I can't find a lash in your blood clot bed. You can't catch a girl in your blood clot bed with your man. Bumbo clot hold her by a clitoris and her lash. Hold her by a clitoris and her pussy and her lash. One girl that tried that to me one time if I run to blood clot. Like she want to hold me by my clitoris, but she don't realize my clitoris was small, it's not big. And the boy Donovan used to go out with, you know. I want red-skinned boy from Brooklyn named Donovan. The one that helped me out to me at the club, me telling her say they want me to certain things and me used to talk. I ended up paying my rent for a while and I quit the club because I didn't want no drugs business. And long after years, sometimes I always say boy, sometimes I get back together, long after I don't see him again. But when I time I get back together, I talk. And him came me, then time I live with my sister. And he came me by like a part-time house because my sister make me live over for her place because I go jail. That was the first time I go jail. I bust up the girl there. The girl thief my money. You understand me? So, Me go check him now over film place. Can I say he just move and he move close to my sister there? So me talk for years and years before that long time. Me go check him and go but I go hang out and shit. And hang out and so cause new place where him have, you know. And me drop a soul. But me lay down to blood clot and me asleep. Me hear somebody I say Tina is a one voice talk to me. And wake me up. When we wake up, me see a blood clot girl and with a big blood clot knife. You hear me tell you say? And I lay down half naked in the fucking bed asleep. You want to that motherfucker have a bitch with key up in there so and you carry me up in the motherfucker and lie to me. Me for run at me a blood clot news. They want the girl kill me. Grab my shit and throw the blood clot door. I was out. Thank God me get to escape. Like she ain't have that shit up. Me not nothing to do with that. But me could have get killed. And she know my name too. That was some shit. She knows my name. That was why me I tell her me been through some shit, you know, dog. That's how me street wise. So I know the street. I want to like a mad pussy I come over. Never pay in mind. They arrive late today. Things must be bad with them. Them sad, man. Look how them sad, my God. Y'all, I don't feel sorry for them. Look how them sad. Oh shit. Let's pray for them. Father, I beg you today, touch these sad head so they can get a better day. Touch these sad head. Their life is so sad, oh God. They just coming to show us they're sad because they can't speak. They just want to show us signs. And we are feeling sorry for this moment. We want to take the time out to pray for all the dead, this memorial, or sad day, or oh God. I'm asking you, Father, to help them give them a life and joy so they don't have to be sad anymore. Yes, and so on. Yes, my love. And so on. So that's a part of life, oh God is good. And if you really have faith and so on. But them Chinese, them not easy. When you go inside, they're not joking with the price. But them false lash there, me nah put them in my eye and keep them on. Must be glue and take right off when me ready. Me nah put that in my eye and left them on. Me can't do it. With a big old fucking glue, the glue coming like tar you chop on ground. It smell like tar the way you feel me. It smell like natural tar. It smell like poison. And I put your ear, get in your eye, bun like pepper. Bun more than your pussy bun in your take, man. You bun your bad, man. Bun your bad for you. All back what's up and the all back the pine, the big cock the pine, yeah? Anybody with a big cock on here? A large cock. Let yourself be known, big boy. Anyone with a large cock, let yourself be known, big boy. We want to talk. Some girls want to talk to you. We want to ask how is your big cock and when you're forced to see how it is. Hello, aisle box. Any aisle box here? Remember, aisle box are for all the guys who got aisle in them back. See, in Jamaica, in the country, you have a lot of big crabs. I used to like to catch crab when I was a little girl with a buckle torch. With cursing oil inside of it and light it. Yes, we always use newspaper to make the cork. Yes, to make the wick. So what happened? The crab, they always have oil in the back. Some people say I shit on the back, but when they have the same way, I sweet me. We used to boil it with a lot of pepper and boil some banana in the same pot and throw it on some quail banana leaf on the ground and sit around a big stone with a big pile of crab with boiled banana and pepper. And I just kept eating till everything was empty, you see. So I like those guys that got oil in their back. They come in like some sort of crab. So not the crab louse, not crab louse. We don't want crab louse. No, crab louse is not good. We want crab backs. We didn't say anything about crab louse. We don't want any crab louse, you see. We want crab backs. Oil in the back like a crab. So when we crack the back, we get oil. Because, you know, we like to get oil. I see a couple of people on here and they know I love Jesus and I'm always searching for Jesus. But I cannot save you at this moment if you're waiting for me to say Jesus. I'm talking about something else. Well, God understand. Because God make Adam and Eve. And God make Eve with a vagina and Adam with a penis. And they say he took out the ribs. I don't believe he took out any kind of ribs. The only person who took away somebody's ribs is Chinese. The only person that took anybody's ribs out is Chinese. I don't believe God take no ribs out of nobody. God can create man all by himself. He don't need to cut nobody and take out no ribs. Hungry people that thief cut out people's ribs are Chinese. Everybody know that. Make Chinese rib tip. So when we talk about Adam and Eve and God cut out the rib and make it all kind of bullshit. All this is a nonsense story. God don't have to cut no rib. God can create anything, heaven and earth. Why you have to cut a man to take out his rib? God look like he have time. I was like a surgeon and cut out nobody's rib. You don't really have a fucking nervy. I wouldn't want to come for them fucking story, though, eh? I love God, but I don't believe in that shit. A little stinking old boy around the corner. A little dirty old sugar daddy we can't get nowhere with me. I didn't put the mad face. And whosoever don't like me as somebody, something about like a tired pussy with tough old girl. Who don't want to take people man, but don't want nobody take on a man. But once you take my man, and you come back and be friend with me, I don't care where you're there. Could have 10 years to take for me to take a man, I'm going to take him back. I'm a grievous person. If you take 20 years for me to take back your man when you take my man, I will. I am going to hunt him down like a wanted dog. You ever watch Lifetime movie? Me watch them a lot and me learn a lot. And when I talk to him, you will lose every sentiment again, everything. Don't fuck with me. Don't think I can take people, man, and fucking fuck them and get you. I'm going to go pick up a rich man and a nice man and think, say, okay, remember, they fuck my man and fuck up my life. I'm taking him back for a period of time. You have to know what's going on in life. You know, when people do you shit, you don't have to hate them and cuss them. Just plan for them. It's always a book and pen to sit down and plan. You don't have to kill nobody. It's always a way around. Fuck out of here. You want to be mad tough pussy girl? Be mad. And make your pussy tough, so. You don't want to walk in a people's life and demand what you want and do what you want. And want people to come accept it. Nobody don't have to accept when you fucking fuckery. You don't have to accept it. Me and one girl when I accept it. I'm not afraid of none of you. Today is my birthday and I could tell you that. I'm not afraid. Right and out order. They don't know nothing good, but you have some girl with fat pussy. Big fat jaw pussy. Tight pussy, you call it cocky squeezer pussy. Then the pussy they squeeze cocky like when they squeeze cane juice out of cane. You see, at Jamaica, they used to have the old time squeeze. You put the cane and squeeze it and the juice come out. And some pussy squeeze juice out of cocky. You call it cocky squeezer. You have all kind of pussy, but the best pussy are the cocky squeezer pussy them. You call them cocky squeezer. Because enough girl don't know nothing me good is. You understand? You have to teach them. You have a pussy like that and it's fat and the jaw fat and the hole small. And when you go up on the cocky, you can pull the muscle and squeeze and come quick. And when you come and you take out the cocky, they come fly up in the air. Like then you can sit there and squeeze water out of you there at the park and drink. What you call him? You squeeze one little button and the water fly up. And so it fly up. You call it cocky squeezer. Now for them come pan here, you know. And them look a word of comfort. Then can't make up their mind if they're a woman. And then can't make up their mind if for a man. Then come and fuck around and then still come to fuck around. But you want me like a cock sucking boy. Learn to read the Bible and learn to respect people and respect them wishes. You can't tell nobody off run them show. You can't tell nobody what to say upon them show. You say what the fuck I want to say. I love God not because I'm a sinner. So listen to me. You're not no cocky squeezer. I talk to the fat pussy girl them a cocky squeezer. Cause I about them want all the girl them with the cocky squeezer. The man them say them cocky long, them cocky sweet and them cocky big. Me get a lot of man a calling. Them say, Olivet, me love your body. Me have a big cocky, me like to put in your hole. And me say, alright, them a calling from morning, the phone just a ring all morning this morning. They say, morning Olivet, happy birthday. I said, happy birthday too. I thought that would be the end of the conversation. But instead, they say, Olivet have a big cocky. And I would like to rest it in your hole. Me say, what? Rest it? See, I mean, see, I feel me hole and if you put a cocky in if you sleep. You mean, come on. It must like me want to rest it in your hole. So you can't find nowhere else your body go sleep. You have to look for call me for my birthday. If you ask me if you can get my pussy. If you put your cocky in if you sleep. Because you want to rest your cocky in there. Rest the cocky you want to rest in there. Me say, Lord, it sound like it's a comfortable couch. It make the pussy sound like it's a comfortable couch. In cocky just want to come rest in it. You don't want to rest. You want to put it in there. And you want to go giant to giant until you get into my tribe. You see, when a man get inside your tribe and you get inside your womb, and you have a thing you call the gritting bag, that is a problem, you know. You see that gritting bag? Oh, God, it's a problem. 1 and 2 times you have a young boy, them young and prosy and his body sweet. And he used to whine me good. The amount of man me take me, I like to talk about it because I said, damn, she never can talk about another one. But anyway, the truth is, the fact is, it was nice and sweet. And the boy used to give it to me, boy. But you know, one time he touched a gritty bag. Lord Jesus Christ. You ever when you catch a gritty bag, you feel pain like a mother's cunt. Your body twists up. You feel like you're going to give birth, man. It touch something when off you touch. Me say, Lord, you too long. He touch the gritty bag. Me say, Jesus Christ, pain like a motherfucker. Me no know about that. I'm to a lot of woman before. When it touch the gritty bag is a problem. Sometimes if you take on the time. Sometimes you go on with a man, you know, you wine is sweet, and you say, boy, the wine really sweet, not gonna come now. You know, it's really nice. And you are going and going and going, and you feel sweet, you're like, damn, you know, I'm not gonna come now, you know, because it's sitting really sweet at this time. And it's sweeter and sweeter and sweeter. You say, that boy along to grave, you know you're going to come. And he might go on and say, oh God, this motherfucker really make me feel good. You know what I mean? And you're feeling good as shit, you're feeling good. And the motherfucker go on and you feel good and you say, damn, this gonna be some shit. It's gonna be a big nut. Because you're on the journey, you just travel from bump to bump and it's sweet to sweet. And you just go on and go on and go on. And you say, go on. And while you're going and sweet, you're ready for come now. You're not feeling no hood again. You're not feeling no hood. But you say, what me still want to come? What the fuck? You still riding it, but you're not feeling. Motherfucker come already. And it would get soft. He couldn't even wait for you to come. That's the fucked up part about it. Yeah, because it's sweeter than a yago. He fly off and gone for a long time. And don't tell you nothing. And then you end up now, it gets soft now. And you say to yourself, what is this, Lord? What is this? Some of them have that problem. Some of them have the problem. And some of them have the problem now. You are going and it's sweet and nice. Nice. And then you start going in my bedroom bully and start stab you up. Ram you up, you start feel pain like you turn off. You're like, no, man, I feel sweet no more. This no good. This no good at all. This no good. Hey, I feel good now. I go the right direction and feel everything. I feel sweet. I feel good. I say, you're in the right mood and shit. Next thing you can start going. Once you go hear your moan a little bit, you feel so excited like you want to do so great. You want to do extra. So when you look at moan and say, yeah, man, me get down and feel good. You might go and walk up now for the extra. You just fuck up everything. Everything just go right down the drain. You know, nobody want to come. You might fucking sweat on him frowns on you. You smell him. You're like, yo, get the fuck off me. Don't fuck up everything. Get it out, man. Just make it done and you go be here. Just get over it. You might go on with it, you know. And then you want to go like him a cocksman and start go overdo it now and cut off the feelings. And make it painful. So now you don't want to bother come because it'll burn, it'll hurt you because I'm going rough and cook up and the excitement, and then if your belly full of food, you eat food, your belly full. The food will shake up in your gut, you feel like you can't breathe. Especially if you lie on top of your gut. And the man belly big and shit. Or him heavier than you. My God, you just don't eat. You can't fucking breathe for shit. When you put up your 2 legs of food and stifle you. No, it's not good, believe me. So as some see, that's why a lot of men is like that. That's why I say the man, when some of them really fat and if you lose weight and lose a big old gut them off because woman can't deal with them thing there. You know, a lot of women can't. This man they like the woman to look good, they like to spend money, and they like the woman to look good. But you have to take care of yourself too as a person. You need to take care of yourself as a person also. You know what I mean? You also, because if you want a good looking woman, a man want a good looking man. A woman want a good looking man, so you have to take care. Some of these men are 300 pounds. Some of them all they can't walk. Come on, you have to do better than that as a man. I mean, our woman going to lay up with you and have sex, and she want to go up on top of you. I have some big man, you have some skinny little woman. You look like them daughter. You say, damn, I right here, right on top of him. And she the on top because no way can lie down upon her more kill her and stop her breath and press her out. So you have to look by yourself and because you want a woman to look good, you need to take care of yourself too. Right? Some like the nice aisle back them with the 6-pack. With the big something. The aisle back them. Yeah, man, the aisle back them sweet, man. Some of them are troublemaker, but some of them sweet. Some of them sweet, man. Because them young and them prusy. Them young and them prusy. But you go down. Them young and them prusy. Them young and them pussy and then can manage the work. So through them young and pussy and then can manage the work now. You understand me? Woman them stay they look good. But it makes sense to come and then you can't manage your work because if they without woman and girl good love, and it take time to make love. Some of them do not know how to make love and then can't make love. Me never tell nobody say me I look for no love, but some of them do know how to make love. They just jump on top of a woman and ray 2 minutes then done. Then I no fucking use. And I see a romance a woman. You can't romance a woman like that. You run as a fucking prostitute or a slut like that, you pay money and go. But now your woman, you live with the woman that you love. You take your time and rub down the woman good. She'll come from work, rub down her foot, then massage her body, rub her down, she feel good. She wants something to drink, you can't come serve her on the bed, anything she want. Makes you feel really nice. You can't just jump on a woman like that. Fucking cuss woman all day, you argue with the woman on the phone all day. You argue about that and son at school, you argue about this, you argue about that. And when you done fucking argue, and you come home at night time, come now, she and the woman at time. You climb the bed, you want pussy, you expect to get good fuck. Good fuck no come so. Good fuck no come so at all, I'm sorry. That's a fucking turn off. Somebody you argue with you for the whole day and when you done, they want to come get pussy from you. That's a big fucking turn off. Because then you don't want to have sex. It's a turn off. You mess up the relationship. It's a fucking turn off. It's a fucking turn off. Fuck up the relationship. You argue every minute, argue every minute. If you argue every minute, might as well stop fuck. Because once you argue every minute, might as well stop fuck. Because it's all become a turn off thing. Argue every minute, you can't get for fuck. You're supposed to have fuck good and a good relationship. You argue, and you go fuck. Some people talk about make-up sex. I don't believe in a bumble clot make-up sex. Make-up sex is fuckery. Because when a man do something wrong and disrespect a woman, and you and him done and go make up sex and come back, you think he might do better? He might go do worse this time. Worse, because he knows that you put up with it. Because he knows you're putting up with it. And so a lot of women get fucked. They will tell a man, say, listen, man, you're done. My relationship done, man, not together more. You this say that and then go back to the man after. You get treated worse. Worse than before. Worse than fucking before. Believe that. Worse than before. Because some men is like that, you know, like when you're vulnerable. Like you have a problem in your relationship or something go wrong with you and you need a little help, them glad for come help you. Because they want to fucking get you vulnerable. You know, so at the time you're going through some problem and you feel down, that's the time they come around for going and good to you, then this type to you. For trying to go and use them brain and try to get you. I saw them do. I know how them stay here, me. But like I said to you, I've been on this road a long time to learn a lot and I love God. But any one of these motherfuckers come and think, say, me go sit down here and me cost them ras back. Me cost them ras back because God have forgive me. Stacey, big up yourself, young man from Antigua. Big up yourself, mama. Big up yourself, Stacey, big up yourself. Simone, big up yourself, Nika, big up yourself, Lawrence. Big up yourself, Chevy. Big up yourself. Simit Brooke, wanna big up on yourself, man. Carrie Ann Brown. Wanna big up on yourself, man. Much love. Also. But I mean nobody can take on a tight pussy and use when you don't, young girl. When I left and come from Jamaica, no come here fresh, no blood clot from the islands. When I eat all the good food in Jamaica, when we grew up with class. We might grow up fucking poor, but we grew up with blood clot class. Classes mean we know if we cook, we know if we clean. Remember the iron we used to at a fire? Iron the white shirt, them but them white, no brown up upon them, no black upon them. And a coal stove where I used to iron them. We grew up with fucking class and know how to do things. That's one thing. We might not grow up rich, but we're rich in class. We might not rich in vanity, but we're rich in blood clot class. And enough girl for know that. You understand me? Can cook and clean. The littlest of Jamaican girl we see them can cook and they can cook good and they can clean. And most of them keep their little body tight and nice and keep up themselves. No matter what them put on, they still look neat. Even if it's cheap, clean and neat. They call it cheap and neat, clean and neat. Cheap and clean, whatever you want to call it. And them thing, you see me? They come to America, them always looking for a blood clot that a Jamaican man or Jamaican woman. But let me tell you, Jamaican woman like my fucking self, if any one of them here today. And anyway, this woman come here. And you come here to come better on yourself. Don't come here to no blood clot, man. Remember me want to know. Do not come here and blind a man blind side, you know. Keep your eyes from what you come here to do. Pay attention to what you come here to do. Do not your mind off of what you come here to do and your mindset. Because when these men meet you, they must start get a lot of money. And when you go work for minimum wage, you're like, damn, minimum wage has a little bit of money compared to this motherfucker. He's going to give it to you. And even if I'm bending back for give it to you, I'm bending back and give it to you. Because he want to get you because your pussy sweet and you're young and you're fresh. But that just for tie you down for a period of time. You're going to end up with nothing. Probably not even with a place to live. Because when a nigga takes it upon you, I want to brainwash you. You know what? So the next man come on here and try to help you. He want to keep you down underneath him foot. You won't be able to do what you have to do to go back home to your country and the plan where you have will fail. and we end up trying to get disease or end up get you pregnant and do whatever you got to do, whatever fuck you got to do, will do to hold it on. Because you're nice and you're young and good. So when a man come to you and you look good and I try to there with you, or you attack to no man, when I tell you to go or, I'm not sending you to or. Make sure you protect yourself and get every fucking thing you can get. Every fucking thing you can get. Have no mercy on no motherfuckers. Because they ain't gonna have no mercy on your pussy where your mama give you. And we are come from life hard. Remember, we are come from never have shoes. You never have clothes, never have food, never have kitchen rain, with a little 2, 3 little stone and pan fire. You just remember where you're coming from. I'm always gonna remember where I'm coming from, and that's why I keep it real and keep it plain. Because I don't dress up like a dress pussy walk and down on my birthday. I rather just come and talk, and I can't dress how I want to. Let me talk and talk free. Because I'm not fucking frightened Friday. I have clothes, I'm not frightened for shit. You understand? Me might frightened for the food, but I'm not frightened for no clothes. You understand me? Be honest with me. Me frightened for the food, but not for no clothes. You understand me? So that's what I'm saying. Anybody want to buy me sushi today for my birthday? Let me know. Yeah. You understand me? Me might frightened for the food, but not for the clothes. You understand me? So what I'm trying to say, get where you can get. Some man know nice girl, know me to a man have money. And he start whining and dining, you go to the man like a pussy. You don't give the piece of pussy already, you know, you don't give him already. So if you don't give him already, I say where you be thrown and I try to make it like a marriage or a bumble clap, make my brainwash you. So one know used to forget to know pussy suck, so I'm frightened for the sweet, you know. Don't bumble clap me that get your blood clot. It can't get a pussy suck anytime in America. Do not fucking go to a man, make him do their friend only, you know, so you're young and your breast them stiff, you look good. And your body look blood clot good and you have money. And him come and give you little money. You want to suck your pussy for you feel sweet and all them shit there. And want to go and like say, yeah, I'm woman. Don't fucking fall for that shit. Smile and talk with him. Yeah, deal with him, but get your fucking money. What you gonna do? Y'all get money and start sending them to your mama for putting in the bank. Send it to your blood clot mama. You can't trust your mama. Send it to your mama. You want money. Every money you get from me, send it to your mama. Every chance you get to send it to your mama. Send it to your blood clot mama. Tell them say you want to go do your X-Y's for your ear, for your ear. You know half of that for your ear. And you can buy a cheaper ear, do what you want to do. Send the rest of money to your mama. You go shop again. Send you this amount of money, X amount for go shop. You send that amount of money out of that for your mama, left a bit for shop, go back and shop again. Take out the money, them little out of everything. Everything. And send it to your mama. Because that motherfucker will long. When he can't control you, he not going to want to give you money like that no more. You must start calling the phone. But you say you're there every minute. I say a different man you find because I know you're fresh, you come from Jamaica, him alone. You must start cuss you. In the country you come from, you must start cuss you. And start argue with you like say, yeah, I'm woman. I go start belittle you and try to make you upset or try to stress you out because I'm jealous and bad mind of you. So you look after that you must start changing. I go and start giving money no more for this and for that. Because I feel as if you don't go by my rule and me want to sex you when I want to sex you, I'm not going to give you what you want to get. I'm not going to give it to you. Unless you come and sex me and do what me want to say, that's how you're going to get it. And you're not going to put yourself through that. You don't have your save up already. You can't let that go. Move on to the next. Who wants to spend some money again? Like next. You let that done. That wear out. That done. Nothing like that. So a good thing you have some money saved. A good thing you have some money where you send away. Because you don't have to the person. A lot of people all over the world is talking to people right now. So I know what I'm saying. It's a lot of people out there doing that right now. And a young, nice girl them. So me I tell them, I don't give a fuck. I make a man come from clot having big old business, much business I run. And you not see no blood clot money. And if you're tight pussy him going, you can't be a fool with that shit. You can't make you wear out like you wash around like old pipe. You a fucking idiot. The mama there Jamaica set up some business. Get him figure a certain piece of big piece of money. All the Jew them have enough property, they love black woman. Make it get a piece of money if you set up a mother a good shop. Set up a mother a good because shop give a mother. Sell like a clothes, like a shoes, like a food, like a this. One like a restaurant. Set up a mother with something out there. Out of the fucking man. If you take shame for your pussy and make your mother know say shame for your pussy, at least where you take it for. Me get a lot and lose a lot, but I never get it. Me get it. You understand what I'm saying? Don't be foolish. Take it from me. Because if me not buy stuff and buy stuff, more rotten rich right now. Properties and properties. I tell her right now because I learn. I know all the shit stay. That's why I can afford to tell her because I know exactly what is going to happen. I know exactly what is going to happen when you get used to you. I'm not going to give you that money no more like when you used to give. In cut down. If he used to give her $2,000, I come and give you $400 or $300 or $200 or $100 and say, nah, no money. Hold that for now. When he say, would that make you some money a couple days income, I might come and give you $150, still can't do nothing. Because the amount of money we used to get. So it's like he giving you next to nothing. And he still want to see you. You have to cut him off. You have to cut him off. He's finished. So that is going to happen. That's why you have to get where you can get when you can get it. Because they want you to be humble and want to tell about love and you don't love them like nobody tell you them I look for love. How the fuck you going to talk to a man? We're married or even have a woman, live a house, married or whatever. And you ever be my girl come on and say, you're my girlfriend. You're my girlfriend and how you treat me like that you ex. How the fuck you gonna be a girlfriend and an ex? That's what I couldn't fully understand. You cannot be a girlfriend and an ex when you're married to a man. You're married and you have your wife at home meet out the door and she must be a dancer or stripper or whatever and you meet and she a dance. And you not start to talk and you start to give her money. And you not talk. She's not your girlfriend. That doesn't make her your girlfriend. It's just a woman that you was acquaintance with. You never live with her. She wasn't in love with you. I suck out your tongue and I live with you up and down with her. She was not. It's just somebody who say once in a while I give money and you get sex from her. Like a sugar daddy. That means it's not your girlfriend. So when you talk about that's my girlfriend and my ex-girlfriend is supposed to love me, you're fucking gone mad. You're fucking losing your fucking senses. You actually lose all your fucking goddamn senses. Because nowhere in hell that's your girlfriend. It's just a fucking trick, nigga. You don't know the difference from trick, dog. They trick, and they still don't know fucking trick. That's a trick, that's not no girlfriend, that's a trick. But a blood clot one, that's a trick. Because they don't like when I tell the truth. Girlfriend and boyfriend is when they love each other, meet each other, not a sexual thing. And money business and nothing, just like each other, no attack and no date. Looking forward to having a life together, to get married, to engage. That's a relationship. So they can't get somebody a relationship when I come and give them money and a woman and cheat up and down and I can't talk about relationship. Nobody want nobody to cheat? Fucking nonsense. Thank you, honey. Thank you for the happy birthday, all of you. Thank you so much. Trudy and K. Brian, thank you so much. Thank you all. Thank you all, my goodies. I'm so gonna look pretty up and sitting. Yeah, maybe, because you know me already. I think I'm like, one of the get warm. Yeah, because them say they want to buy me jerk chicken and rice and peas. They want some of the jerk chicken and rice and peas over by something there. I may make some sushi, I don't know. I'm going on the other side. I might get some sushi, because I love sushi too. But the jerk chicken and rice and peas really nice too. On my birthday, I should have go down like I'm going to get it free. Like on my birthday, I'm going to play it free. You know, maybe. I don't know. Yeah. So, but I love you guys, man. We had the truth, some of them vex, so you know you thought the truth on tough pussy girl. Or tough ag pussy girl. Or tough food. When man beat up on the crutches and bruise up on the wall. On the fucking wall. Tough like when cold skin can't boil. Don't come over here. Some of them bad mind fuck, I burn them. Me not pay them the mind now. Some of them, I say, me go tell her what them do. They used to them company life one time when they come and make ranks. What they? I was wrong with she and this and that and I go on. Why is no one company want to stay on my line and advertise other people shit and do all that kind of shit and to me take them off, take off the fuck of them. They mad they can't for this place them pussy up them stinking pussy finna man look up and again. They want all the friends and followers them me have. The whole 50,000 followers me have. Almost what 56,000 me have people. What we team upon 56,000 followers we have? Good is so how much in the team have 56,000, right? We think we're there about 56,000 followers with there. Goody. We team up. We are going for 100,000 and then we go for another 100,000 and so on because we have to get a TV show. So we are keep rising. You know, so because most of them depend here and then we have to say them a star too. And then we have to say them have like one girl, she's a bad mind against me. She depend on going like she a friend and a player 8. We get her the fuck off. You understand me? And lying and fucking going like she a friend. And get her off. She come call me talk about it's me and this and that and all kind of something she don't know what happened. One girl it mess up the whole line acting to come off. She want me put her back on. Me not bother with it. Because I say, let me see somebody come here look trouble. Me no bother when I come for your custom friend that about. I have a friend and she's so fucking ugly. And she's just not ugly. She smells so stink and she this. A friend she talking about. Her friend. Get the fuck off. You talk about your friend like this? Boom, you're gone. A fucking friend you talk about. Don't come here come talk about your friend. If you don't do nothing, you want to come talk with your friend like that and she's a friend? You're gone, bitch. You ain't got no timeline for come talk with it. All my people them gone from you. Go fucking find, go tell a friend that to her face to come and come tell with that. We don't want to hear. Because when you have them friends, they like for run, come on Facebook and look famous, talk that with them best friend and shit. When they have to hear. That time them pussy stink and them want to tell them that. When you remember when the girl tell them so them pussy stink for what she good, then fucking come and concuss the girl and blame it on the girl say the girl pussy stink. That time I feel them pussy stink. Enough girl come and come go on, my smell come go on them nice. And when they come and put 8 button, be 8 button. So when them pussy smell like old man piss. They won't stop fuck old man forget green card. And fucking citizenship. A old man hood them a suck, all shrivel up, all ranking hood. We smell like blood clot piss. I eat them suck when look on the man face wrinkle and sucking like some cocaine addict. I that them a feel suck pan forget blood clot green card. Them can't talk to fucking me by the way. Like me give a fuck. Me give a fuck. Me defend anything me want to defend any blood clot time. So why if me say me want big hood? Now my push not tight. Miss 43 to the means me right half pound hood. Me love God, but that means me right half pound hood because God make me take hood. Make with a hole between my leg and never me tell me make hole. God make the hole between my leg when me born with a hole between my leg. And them say a hood make me fit in it. And when hood go in it fit perfectly like when a pot cover shit pan a pot. That means it's true make to go in there. So let me keep ramming it when me can. See how me eye up a wrinkle look good. Look good. Look good for me eye up. I don't know when this come if a vein pop out there. Or a sperm now when I come out of my body. Look good. Me just attack no one sitting for me eye. Watch it. Watch it. A wrinkle or some fucking shit. I don't know where that come from. It look like some kind of demonic shit. That shit look ugly. What the fuck is that? A vein. When I get old vein I come out on top of your eye. Humbleclot. Old is a real fucking fucked up thing, dog. So I mean a oldness I do me so me 43 me just send pop up me eye right today. This never there say yesterday. Blood clot. So then so when the deadline hit at the exact 43 then it multiply at the deadline. So I mean know so they got up my fat because I try to stop this. But remember also when the exact 43 when the clock say exact 43 then bumble clot wrinkles bumble clot. Your life serious dog. This fucking shit is serious today. It was not there yesterday. And I was 42 yesterday. I'm 43 today and you see that shit? Can't play time, dog. This is serious. This one a bit to right here. Time is fucked up, man. But it wasn't here. Jesus Christ. If I get too close spin tonight, me not going can deal with this. No, if I get too close spin tonight and pin, I'm gonna sleep, I'm gonna pin back here so. I'm gonna get a close pin and pin here so with a close pin. And pin us with a close pin. I'm gonna find some fucking solution. Something gotta work. Because I think if I pull it back here, like this, put a surround wrap, and then pull the skin back like this, and then put the clothespin look like this. And then I could remove the clothespin in the morning time when I wake up. Well, you guys will see when I do it because I'm definitely gonna start that. I'm gonna put a couple on my nose, like one cloth can hold right here and one can hold right here in the nose too. And right here. I think that's a good thing. Well, I'll do it. When I do it, I'll come on live with it. Guys, guess what? I have to teach you goodies what to do and how to get things work. So look at my dirty wall them I come, but me not care. I love when they come to custom like a nasty ass, you see? Oh, parasite. Watch you all gingy fly them a fella come round. Like they smell stinking pussy over here. Watch them. You come in the wrong place, dog. Whoop, whoop, let the dog out. Whoop, whoop, let the dog go to Ross. I want him to come, baby. I want him to come and go. Eh? We have pit bull over here. We tear up and bite up and chamber up like some scratches when I go. Bite up and chamber up. You see when dog try to swallow sponge with gravy pan, must control. They never see dog try sponge with gravy pan, I try to swallow the whole sponge. And when the dog doing drink water till him dead. They don't even know what that. Never stop try the sponge with gravy. I put sponge on the gravy. Gravy on the sponge. And chew it. Chew the whole like bust up and look like some girl front. When they come out from my page. You see, when them breed out and cocky refuse them, baby father refuse them, cocky refuse them, then one can take up man this week, next week refuse them, and take up one this week, and so walk around like a pestilent. Then come like dopey pan body. Because they text it pan body like a dopey. Them a walk and text it pan body like dopey. The business with them can and talk all them want and talk. Because I now no bunch of pit around me. I'm free to go anytime I want, anywhere I want to be. Because I put a lot of my pussy root. I never make it breed upon me and make it free. And if you cuss nobody, you're jealous for nobody for my freedom. I don't have to jealous nobody because I got freedom. I cut down on my pussy root. Then if I don't cut down on them pussy root, then lay down and breed up on the people make nice and ears like mosquito. Them a go on like them a Zika virus. Then one can take you out on you. One can cuss you. Like you make them life miserable when you can't go anywhere you want to go. You know if you fuck no man for babysit your picnic them, or a suck him out for him babysit them, you don't have to do that. Remember suck the can man a cut them gonna grind out them bumbo hole for babysitter, for carry them picnic here and pick up and every picnic them papa. I grind out them red till it turn white. And then go and sit down half dead bumbo clot. We walk and take people man and come over here come go like they can't send any message. You can't bring me down. You can't bring me down because you never smell me yet, girl. You can't bring me down. Hardly sit down and talk and try to bring me down. You only make me bigger. You only make me larger. The more you talk, the more the number of blood clot rise. You look a stink out, done out all. You look a blood clot rise. Somehow no go on. I don't know what's not done in society. Every man come to like a Red Cross pussy you know have. Like a Goodwill pussy you know have. Feel like a bit of half price, second hand pussy. Everybody come wear to the blood clot pussy. Wear it out, you have no value. When man soon come like nothing, and a little bit of change when they can get to know. A little blood clot sandwich or a bacla juice. Do not come over here, parasite. Because your time is expire, lip expire for around the ring. Your lip expire for around the cocky rim. Your lip expire, bitch. Your lip expire on the cocky rim. Yes. Some of them so cocky till the whole dark and gone in deep depression. In a danger, we in, sucking. Then walk around with the deep hole and them blood clot. I go all of them nice with contour makeup. When you them just suck in. Her body have them like a suction. Suck in on the side. I'm not afraid of none of them. Because guess what? Nobody now have me up and down like a fool. Nobody can have me like a fool. Me stand up for myself and live the life me want to live. Me not damn fool. Me not damn idiot. So make them sit down and watch me. And while I waste time and money, me I try to make. Man, I go suck donkey dick and suck ass dick and make it stuck them blood clot short and stop down them palate and stop them breath. You think me afraid of none of them dark shit here? Them underprivileged motherfuckers? Huh? I'm not afraid of none of them because they low fucking life. They come and walking around looking to me mad, sitting person mad. Be mad at yourself and mad at your mother pussy to bring you to life. Mad at your mother big ugly pussy that born you here. Is your mother pussy that born you here and bring you here. And it seems like when you're born, you was always a demons. But if you come over here, we're going to rebuke you. You're a demons that come out your mother pussy, we're gonna rebuke you right back in that motherfucker. There's nowhere here you can come around and stay and linger around. Because we are not afraid of fighting pestilence. You see, God give us the strength to step on the head of the snake and to conquer the field. Conquer the battlefield. So you can come all you want. Bad mind are rat now to no stinking hole. On a bad mind so till no heart as swell right now. Anyone to sit down. On press the button because me not right to be on national social media. Me not have no right to be on my phone and me pay my phone bill. On a walk come mad and come stop me. Go suck out to the mama miserable blood clot or and go pa more go find your papa where your papa is. Your mother was a dirty, nasty, low down whore. That's why you don't know who your father is. But your father was also a criminal. So bitch, get the fuck off my page and do not come over here to think so you can't come upset me. You cannot upset me. Me just like to cuss Ross. Only give me the motivation to cuss no stinking Ross. Yes, it is a motivation. So I don't block anyone. I let them come freely. So I could deal with them nasty Ross. I can cuss them till they have blood clot running belly. I tell them, nah, you come over, I'm going to deal with your case, so. Eh? I deal with your case, so, eh? You think you can come here and do what you want, eh? No walk like this, so. No walk like this, eh? Motherfuckers, don't walk like this, eh? You ain't gonna come over here now. You can't say no juju for me. You can do what the hell you wanna do. Because I don't care, eh? That's what I'm saying to you. I don't give a fuck what you wanna do. I'm not scared of juju. Me not scared of juju, motherfucker. You wanna do what you wanna do, I fuck you up with your juju and send it back to you. Name out on your pussy, mother blood clot. Fuck you think this is, huh? My sister, my brother. Me, no fuck with nobody. But when they come to fuck with me, I'ma eat us motherfucker alive like a cannibal. Like a fucking cannibal, motherfucker. Like a cannibal. Yes, motherfucker. Make them blood clot no. In here, Portland girl up in this bomb clot. We no respect no stink big old girl. No small soft cocky boy. When cocky now no use and run off him out like blood clot. Like him a cocky lipstick. He like a cocky man suck till him get flip. Motherfucker don't come over here. Can you just get me flip? Today is my birthday. Sucking them son of a bitches. Mother scontool. We not afraid of nobody. We not afraid of nobody. We not afraid of nobody. One of them dead at your cemetery. We not afraid of nobody. Cause them dead them afraid bring none of my cemetery. Them a penny me and me not penny them you see. Them a watch me life and them a watch me. Can't watch me now cause me life on the wreck. Them see me style and the fuck of them afraid. See the body don't got symmetry. Yes, the body under me. Them a talk but a under me. See the body under cotton tree. Under me, under me. See the body under... Hey, you motherfuckers. Hey, you motherfuckers. Hey, under me. You know, I want them a come with a war them at. Big pussy girl, you know me not fret. Big cocky me want me not second for the less. Them a talk up but them not get no rest. Even on them mind and the evil tech set. Them a talk but you know me not vex. No me not stress. No me not stress. Blessing it a come so you know me not vex. Rise me ya rise pon the pussy them. Me know what tantalize pon the pussy them. Them a run up them out me say Uzi them. 6 foot and bull of them. Them attack. Big cocky where we want. Pretty boy attack. Money na the bank and the money it a fuck. Them a come like a devil with a fuck. Pussy hole them attack up. But them attack up and the money it a fuck up. Them wicked bad mind them a devil caught up. Them a watch home them a frat up. Pan the flight when you gone up and not up. They can't catch we now cause we... Yo, we don't get a bus now. We a bus pan them only God we chose pan them. Them a go and but money it a come fi spend. Them a watch we then. Them want fi blend. Want fi mix me and you my friend. I want to tell my Eden man. Them a fi mad. Them a fi mad cause them life is so sad. Judging on me life and me so glad. Them a fi mad cause them life it is so sad. Them life side, me life sad, me say sad like that. Every day they get up, them mad like that. Some of them a thief and them a pull them Glock. Judge blessing that a non-stop. Them a watch me now but me not turn back. Sackle it up like a ask me a ride. Some of them a watch me make them go and advertise. Give that me get you know me not side. Me not go run and me not hide. Me not afraid of no hater. Them a watch me like a theater. But me tell them say later. First in a life, my life get greater. Them a smile, them a faker. Underrated. First me a come and slice the cake, yeah. Me have to make it. Me have to make it. I know me have to make it. No matter what them a try to stop me, have to make it. Yo, say me building on me heart, me never fake it. That's why me know in me heart, me have to make it. Like heaven and earth, judge and make it. Shake up the place, cause me done make it. Rise me a rise, left the whole of them. None them attack at the whole of them. Watch them a watching when me turn at the whole of them. Dirty bungle them, that a dungle them. Dirty bungle them a come and them a try to tie me up. Them a try them a want to come war me up. They don't know see the money it a come me and star me up. I want them a follow me up. But me don't get a bless, me don't get a bus. Jaja in me heart cause I am alone me trust. Them a go like them a think but me move cantankerous. Inna the night for me a move cautious. Tiptoe upon them cause me don't get a bus. Rise me a rise and me not turn back. Beat pan the rhythm and you know me not stop. See the crowd of people and me have the place slack. And them a sit down, them a mumble and chat. But me not watch them. Cause me have to, the money have to come cause the money have to spend. Now sell no pussy boy can't have me bend. Some girl attack 9, 6, 10 of them. Now get no money then now get a cent. Pussy well big and the pussy tear out. Some girl them attack and them a gears out. Money have to come, money have to pack up. Cause we pussy it tight, muscle it. Muscle it up, muscle top. Sit down pon the cocky girl, he must get a bus. Pack up the money now, pack it up, pack it up. See the bring struck up in a pack it up. Them a talk about them pussy done big and done slack it up while for we tight and the money it a pack it up. They want to them body. Yo. Sometime, you know. And I know nothing as a talk, you know, there's a talk off of my head and the music that's it's not a song, but it's a talk. But it's a talk, I mean like talkative, you know what I mean? Talkative. You know. Pretty brown skin boy, him have island nine back like a crab. We call him Isle back, why not so him joke, I saw him stab, Isle back. Me say, boy, you're pretty like a dime. Me want your loving on me all the time. Boy, me say, you're pretty like a dime. So me want loving all the time. Rub your down, boy, you look good. Teeth them pretty, have your six pack. Body look smooth and all of that. Girl, them a talk to you like you don't want stop. But a long time me ya watch you and you a fit me gap. When I the house, I got the whole place like tear down the furniture. Me drop down pon the bed, boy, wine pon that. Them a talk about lover boy. Give me your loving, give me your loving. Lover boy, them a talk about. Give me your loving, give me your loving. Yo, me just like sing like something. That's some mistake. Straight off of my head. What I gonna say now? Just anything basically. Can just exercise the mind. So if you don't know if you exercise the mind, you know, then don't exercise the mind. Just exercise the mind. Just be yourself. Just be yourself, dog. You heard? Be yourself. Alright, now we're gonna sing so now. Hey, dirty girl, you want to come text it for me. You never know when you sit down by your knee and I suck my man body. You never know when you down by your knee at about you want him to left me. You never know hunger sperm you want drink, baby. You never know what I love me so you not gonna let me go. Don't put your knee and you are sucking balls. Talk about say you're big and you're broad. Talk about you are the woman of the yard. Never know say you left me, baby. The man now left me cause me pussy too sweet. Squeeze panning cocky like a tweet, me a tweet. Inna me bad book in my read. Sweetness you know, sweetness him have, sweetness me have and him a wine in the middle. Some gyal a talk them not feel good, they never comfortable. Every man come like a number 11. Them attack, baby. Me want you whining on me belly. Them attack, baby. Yeah, me one and only. Me say me body tight and me body sweet. Cocky on me belly like a tweet, me a tweet. And me a wine pan the white shit. Say me clean underneath. Them a talk and talk, say me Africa. Show me no for dirty nice and sweet. Yes, baby. So you have to make up songs sometimes, take a time and you don't take a time. They mad because they mad so me I get old and my birthday I come. Yes, they mad so me turn 43. They mad no blood clot. Them vex so me turn 43. They want me dead and make it to my birthday. Them sorry so me make it to my birthday. Like damn. I was gonna be able to kill out for a birthday, man. Is that the date when they have for me pass? Damn. And then one is like, yo, she make it to the birthday. She wants to make it to her birthday, son. So that's why they're mad. So me talk about it then stop the sign now. You try to tell her. The man said she was so dead for her birthday. We don't want that bitch to live for her birthday. So they're mad right now so she make it to her birthday, son. Damn. And the person kill her back off left yesterday. Because they look for her for so long they can't find her. You have to go back downtown and come on next time. But God is my protection, dog. You see me? God is my protection, you know. Jah, you are my protection. Jah, you have your angel by me right hand. Jah, you never ever let me go wrong. You always stand by me, always stand by me. Me say stand by me by rough ages. You always stand by me. In the darkest time in my life, Jah, you're the only one can set me free. Come me down on my knees, me a call. I see all me enemies. Send protection over me. A protection over me. Protection over me. Protection over me. Me say me down for me knees and me a pray. Jah, you're the only one that show me the way. So temptation they want come lead me astray. Me know that you show me the way. You give me blessing, me say night and day. That's why every time I know me have to pray. In my heart, cause you show me the way. And them I try for me heart, they want slay. Jah, you're the only one. Give me the answer. Jah, you're the only one that give me life. Jah, you're the only one that give me the answer. Whether I'm wrong or right, whether I'm wrong or right. Me say me can't live me life without Jah in it. Every man me get up and me pray. Sometimes I can come from mess up the way, but Jah try always heal me, never lead me astray. Say me cry out in my heart sometime. Lord, this hard, this life is so hard. But Jah look down and him say, it's just your time. You have to keep on working hard. Me say me cry most of the time. Cause the devil have me down so low. Me cry most of the time. Because me believe Jah in me heart. Because Jah the only one that make me have good heart. Some days me get up like a raging bull. When you're looking at this world, nothing no good. When me go on my knee and me pray, Jah Jah always me feel good. Jah, you're the answer to everything. Jah, you're the answer to my life. Jah, you're the answer to everything. Jah, you're the answer to my life. You hear me? My answer to my life, yes, I want to them, woman, I want to them. You know, like, until we are doing thing, then I say, fucking, God can't live God through the way, and I can't guess what? Can't leave God, can't leave God. Can't find for them enough when I'm with my salt. And then no. Like going to God, now me I talk to God. No one I really talk to him and really sing to my heart. And then when the spirit take me over now, that's a different thing. Because when the spirit take me over, me don't sing like that. You see what I mean? Sing differently. But I'm gonna let you go. And I say to them, have a good day today. Until later. Have a blessed day. Have a wonderful day today. Don't make nothing stopping you from being happy today. Be joyful, cook your food, and love your life. Don't make nobody bring you down and tell you nothing. Only God alone can tell you, nobody else. Okay? Only God alone. So don't make nobody in a big world can tell you, a star food boy can tell you nothing today. Simple as that. You have a right like every given man. Every man is equal on this earth. None of them. Not because they might have more money, means them better than you. Money don't make you equal, make them better than you. It's just money them have. Same person. Right? That's all it is. When you're feeling down, do-dum, do-dum, do-dum. When you're feeling down and feel like giving up, just remember that God is watching over you. God is watching. God is hearing. He's hearing everything you say. God, He knows you. He knows everything about you. You that He made. Just believe. Just have faith. You'll succeed. My God is real. My God is real. He's so real. Everything seems like it's hopeless in life. God is the only true love. Is the only love that never change. His love will always remain the same. It doesn't matter your mistakes. It doesn't matter how your heart break. God is the only love that will never change. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Let's sing praises to my God. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Let's give thanks for another day. God has bring me here through the days. He has protected me in every way. And I can live to see another day. I say thank you, Lord, for this day. As I sing this song from my heart, you know I love you. Nothing can change it. Oh, hallelujah. You want to sing with me now? Come on. God is great. God is great. God is love. God is great. God is great. God is love. The only love will never change. God is great. God is love. His love will never change, you know. If you only believe, if you only got faith, if you only can pray, it will lead the way. The devil wants you to go astray, but keep on your way. Keep on praying, believe in your way. God love will never change. God always hears you when you pray. God is here tomorrow and today. God is always here for all. Hallelujah. 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 God is love. God is great. I lift my eyes up to the mountain, which cometh my help. My help cometh from God. My help cometh from God, who is my health and strength. People must give thanks to God today. Much love, enough respect to the one and only God, the King of Kings. They might tell us all kind of name and all kind of lie, but at the end of the day, we know it's a creator. I'm happy to be alive. Today is my birthday, and I have to give thanks. I could have ended up in a big shit today, man. I could have been in jail and Rikers Island. I could have been many places right now, but I'm here. So I thank God today. I have to do this. I have to say thank you, Jesus. Thank you, and thank you to all my good friends. Thank you for all the birthday wishes and all the love you sent out for me today. You know, I thank you very much. But today is my birthday, so I can't stay any longer because I have to get back on. You know what I mean? So I need to go and freshen up myself and get myself together. Because my birthday, I think I need to get back on because it's my birthday, you know? So that's why, yeah. So I don't care who want to be 18 and not like me. I don't give a shit. Because the bitch who want to sit me and be 18 and she just mad because I boxed my fucking man dick out her throat. She's just mad because I boxed that shit right out her damn throat. The dick fly right out her throat. Floop. Right on the damn throat, I box it out the damn throat. So they're not gonna like me, you know? Bitches wanna hate on me because I just love being myself. I'm polite. I'm not afraid of people. And they stuck up whores. The only thing they need to suck fucking wood. They stuck up whores. They don't know how to pray. Even though they're a sinner, they don't know how to pray. They don't know how to love other people. Feel other people pain. I feel other people pain. And sometimes that's bad because when I feel the pain, I cry for other people and the problems and shit. They can't feel nobody pain. They heartless bitches. They fucking hateful motherfuckers. If they could catch you to kill you, they would. They're just hateful motherfuckers. You understand me? So you don't make people like put them on your agenda. You just gotta keep rising to kill those motherfuckers. Keep rising on them bitches. The more they hate you, try to look better. Try to keep rising. Rise the motherfucker. Make it keep rising. Because when they hating you, God make you rise. God make you rise. God make you rise. But you need to charge. They don't, you know, as a sinner, they don't want you to talk about God. But you know what? I'm not gonna freaking. I'm gonna tell you all this. I might curse a bitch and tell her stink of pussies. I'm still gonna pray to God because I don't expect to be a sinner all my life. You know, there's people out there that need us, need God's soldiers that need us. There's people out there that we know we need people like, you know, that you all love me and I love you all. You all listen when I talk, I love you all. Because you all know that we're a sinner, but you know, we love God and we want to do better. We ain't gonna be no fucking stereotype stuck up motherfuckers. You know, if we suck dick, we still can pray. Whatever we do, we still can pray and respect God and try to get out of what we're doing and right and try to be right with God. You know what I mean? I can't take this platform and be like a bitch every fucking day and just use it to the rest of my life and make money and spend. I can't do that. I can't. That's why I told you all I'm gonna do a lot of religious music. I'm not a Christian, no, but I love God and I'm for. How long you think I'm gonna live in this fucking shit? You see, they're not gonna like me. But I wanna got my own fucking church, and I know that shit gonna work out, dog. I know if I got my own church, I don't give a shit. You wanna be mad at what you wanna fucking say, bitches? Get the fuck off here. The church is to help people. I'm gonna help a sister with a business for this week. Some weeks, next week is for somebody else. The other week for somebody else. That means people are out there prostituting. People are out there doing shit that they want to get out of, and they really love God. It's just that they really need a little help. They could get out of it. So anybody who come in my church, I would be donating in the church. That would be helping somebody that come into the church. Somebody we know a nice woman should her husband or two put she now put her edge in help people so they can fix them life. Because a lot of us is just help we need. It's help I need to fix my life. And thank God I come on here. So you guys are able to donate to me and help me to fix my life. So I can complete my life. Me stop stripping, me not drink liquor, me this, me not go party. So to help a person, because most of us, we doing everything right with God. We not steal, we don't do all them something there. It's just that we just a little bit of problem we have just to fix for life. And that's like a help you need. And it come in like so the old sin just tie you up. You want to make a little movie so you can just get out and marry the man and they will live with the man, just do this. You just want a little help to fix a little old stop we have at Jamaica, it a leak. So you have somewhere to live. And one little shop, and one little something you can make like money to bring a little food, and you can live with God. You can marry them, you live straight with God. You just want a little help. You want a little help because you want a little sugar daddy married man because you know say fornication and adultery. But I might help you get a little food because you're hungry. You want help for certain things we could get out. That is a bigger part of our problems. So if me get a church and open my church and it's going, I can fix a lot of people problem. A lot of women, we can go house to house, we can help each other. And it become big and successful. So my church wouldn't be like for them church. My church is taking oars and my gay friends gonna come and everybody else gonna be in there. It's not gonna be church like what them got to. You can't come to church anywhere you look. Come to church same way. Nobody not criticize you. Because some of them in a pum shot, some of them in a this, them come just the way them is. But when they come eventually, they're going to change over to what God may change them over. You don't have to tell nobody to change nothing. You don't have to force nobody. Because you don't have to do that. God will do that. Once I get the help and I love God and then go and listen to the program and you're doing your church and then come and we talk and we pray together, it will happen. Because you're not force nobody. You're not telling nobody no big rastaman and big church and a praise and a dress up in a suit and tie up your neck like a better nobody. You are just like everybody else. You was a fucking whore yourself. Okay, God know who he wants to use. So nobody can sit down by you and tell me nothing. But when my days come, it's going to be a greater days. It's going to be something that human that never see before. And don't take me simple. If me just only go in the right way, the amount of power that I would exist in my body, people would shock to see it. It's true. Because when God working on me, sometime Him walk. If the spirit was upon me a while ago, me couldn't sing like that. Me have to sing better. It's when the spirit getting and the Holy Spirit down in you and it corner you. Your voice come out, you know where the voice to come from and sing. You wonder who that I sing and where to come from. You know where your voice is sweet. But it's when the Holy Spirit using you. That's why you can't just use what you have to say about God. Because God is powerful. Without God, me couldn't sing and the amount of things me go through. But me go through it for a purpose. God put me on Facebook for a purpose. I did not know why. But Him know and it not come to yet, but it's going to come. Because I shall baptize in the blood of Jesus. I shall one day. And a lot of my friends will. We can have the same life. We can have fun. We can dance at the church. See religious music. We can have clean fun. We can have fun with God. Nobody can tell us that we can have fun. But we don't want to stuck up people, no long frock, big old hat going at them better off on you. No way. We don't want it for we church. It's not in our church. Everybody's friend. We can talk and we try to find our own way. We're not in that. We're not in that. I like to have fun, but I will damn not come on this platform and do like some people. I go up on YouTube and up on everybody's platform, what am I do? That's why people don't want people to think that I'm against them. You know, I'm with a lot of people as my friend, and people think like I'm against them because I'm not friends with them anymore. But I feel like if I'm into God and you into something else, I cannot continue involving you with me because you're praising a different God from what I'm praising. So I cannot mix with you. You see, I cannot fool myself because I'm uncomfortable with certain things which is not of God. So I cannot be with you and helping you to promote what you're doing in one that is not of God. So I have myself away. So I don't want people to be mad at me and so on, because I love everybody. Everybody, sometimes you get mad and so, but at the end of the day, we are only human beings. And God put me here for a purpose, and I don't want to use my platform for the same thing that everybody doing. I might curse out a lot of bitches and run them off sometimes. It's very entertaining when they come on. I get funny doing that. I laugh at them. But truly until I'm a good person, I love God. So I'm never going to stop talking about God. So who know why you God don't have to come on here. Don't have to come on here. I'm going to make jokes. I'm still going to talk about God. Still going to, because if you're dead tomorrow morning and you're gone to, let me plug in this thing here. You get tomorrow morning, you're gone to hell. You think, say, well, a lot of people are like that, Damn thing I forget. What? No. Come on. Oh, finally. Step on the charger and kind of broke it. Yeah. First of all, this earth we live on right now, a lot of people don't seem to understand that it's just like a movie. You're into a box. You're into a box. See, I left Jamaica, I left our country, into this big box. And into this big box we enter into all kind of something going inside this big box. Parties that all kind of say, all kind of something them I do. And you're into this big box, you realize you've been controlled with food where you eat, poisons, everything bad. Everything. You're in the fucking devil's playground right now, And anything you do wrong, you can't get right for it. It's in the devil's playground. So if people want to know and think that them now go dead one day, them wrong. You're going to fucking die. And you're going to have to fucking answer. You're going to die. Nobody lives forever, no matter how famous you is, how much money you have. When death come, you can't tell death saying can't take him, going to take you. So you want to be able to live again. That is when you really start living. Now it's just a period of time that you're going through just to know people on earth, to see what good you do to people. What good you can do on earth. It measure in your time. It's making what you call it. It's making a documents. Your lifetime is served on you is like documents. All the documents. Okay? So that's what that is. And then when you die, you move on. God have your documents. You know what I mean? So you must die. Then your spirit will leave your body. You will go. When you sleep at night, your spirit leave your body in a dream, go certain places. You will die. You just here temporary. You will die. You will die, honey. You will die. No matter what you say, you will die. Okay? So it's best to be nice to people and be good to people and be kind to people. A lot of people I know, they're so fucking stuck up. I don't know how they even breathe. They are so rude because they got money. They are so rude. Like very disrespectful to other people because they don't need. They have vehicle and they brag and they just don't care about other people's life. People like those are empty. They have nothing. All they have is money. And if it's all you have is money, then you sure damn don't have nothing. If you don't have God and have a peace of mind, you think you have money, you sure damn don't have nothing, because money is nothing. Notice when people dying, when they gotta go, or when they going, they just gone. They don't think of them. They do not take a damn thing with them. But some of them want to sit down upon the money, sit down upon land, sit down upon this, and packing up more and be mean to them family. Sit down upon will, be mean to them fucking family. And they fucking dying. And they cannot take them with them. The land was made free for everybody. Food was made free on this land for everybody to eat food free. You're not supposed to be buying food. You're not supposed to be paying rent. You're not supposed to be paying for transportation. I gotta give you a donkey, give you a ass, give you a mule, all of that. All of that you can ride around. All of that. But man come and them take it over and them start them bullshit. Them come with money, they come with cars, they come with cable vision, they come with this, they come with that. And the whole world is so materialized right now. So as a woman, you walk outside, you have no makeup on. And they just look normal. And sometimes people look at you like you're ugly, like you look that bad. A pretty girl walk outside because everything they want is makeup, lipstick, contour. They got to contour now. Nobody used to contour before. So they want to be like a dolly. So that's why they come out to the ear for the like of the dolly and the makeup like for the dolly, my long lashes. And what some of them woman fear put on now to match up because it's materialized. You know? And you see a black girl that look natural, look so nice. Sometimes people look upon her like she's nothing because she not having the ear sewing. Because she not having the makeup, because she natural and look good. I can't understand that. But it's what the world turned to. It's a sin. It's like people can't see more than what they can see. They only see the top of the surface. They're not seeing beyond the surface. They can't see no further. All they can see is top of the surface. That's all they can see. Cars, money, bars every night, this, that, different woman for sleep with, this, that. They cannot see a deeper life. They cannot sit down and see the old world, surrounding the old world. And you are in the middle. And you are turning around like in a stadium and see all the shit that's been going wrong. Nobody have a Jesus Day marching. Everybody got a church on the corner making money, and so much homeless people in America. Kids all over the world are suffering in so much church, making money every single day. When all these thousands of church that making money, they could come together and save a lot of people. They don't work together. Everybody got their own. Everybody collect their money and split their profit and they go their way like a business. So it fuck people up. You got a lot of sinners believing like, I don't want to go in this church. His pastor's a thief. He's a hypocrite. How can I go in here and pretend when I know he's no good? I really want to serve God. Even if I'm gay, I still want to be a fucked up person. People feel like that, you know. People feel uncomfortable sometimes to go to church. Everybody looking at you like something wrong with you walking up in there. They want to criticize you and treat it as a church. So people not going to like to come to my church. People is going to love to come to my church. And I'm never going to stop till I could get what I want out of life. Because there's so much things I can do. There's so much I can do. And I know I'm not a Christian, but I know my conscience I ride me. And I really love God. Because I think God giving me a lot of talent. God give it to me. So I can't really turn me back. God give me the talent and He can cut it at any given time. He can cut it at any given time. You hear me tell you? So just trust in God and believe in Him. That's all. Hi, honey. Flex Michelle. Yeah, big up yourself, honey. Hi. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, honey. So we don't worry about nobody else. No clean no house, no cook no food, no grind no man good. Don't forget to pray. Because when you're praying, it cover you for the whole entire day. It cover when you go out and pray. If you pray, as it's all sitting about to happen to you, and just because you pray, you miss it by the inch. Because you pray. So don't make nobody tell you nothing. Somebody talk about there is no God and all kind of foolishness for these black people. And to all life, I go on the things we have been through in life, you should know if there's a God or not. Because you know when God provides for you. You know when the Holy Spirit up on your heart, no matter you see it move you. You have to say something about God, it move you. I don't have me like no hypocrite, you know. Today I'm 43. And I don't know what day is going to come, my death day is going to come. It could become any time. So that's why I don't want to tell my friends and my fans or whatever you want to be to me, to be a hypocrite against God. I cannot tell you that. I have to let you know I'm a sinner. Me like me joke, I'm a dirty joke and sitting, but me still pray, mama. Me still believe in God. And do the same. Do the same. Let's get that church. Let's get that church started. We be the biggest thing all over the world. We're going to be there praying and we're going to live clean. And so we get clean and so we build we clothes them, mama. Special clothes them we have. Cover them with all in body down to the ground. Nice dresses all the way down to the ground. Nice head wraps. We make our stuff them different. For we church different after a while. And we don't want a regular Christian come up in it. Only for the sinners. We don't want nobody with only from the church come up in there. We don't want them up in there. They are banned. They are banned. They cannot come up in there. Because they are a bunch of thief and hypocrites. And we don't want them in our church. Whatever money that donate, the congregation should know how much money donated. The people should know. The people should know what cause it going to and who it going to. And why. And then everybody get them problem fixed. Them church will run them sitting there running good. I just when we saw one pastor man and church woman get vexed with him right out. So I asked him, I was about to help you. I tell you, woman, so I must help the people and wicked. Them taking the money and buying pussy all about the place and buying man. Buying man, and know this pastor man, the girl says she there with him, and just because she cut off her penis. Just because she cut off her penis, the fucking man mad with her. Because him like to suck her road. And just because she have the plastic surgery and she cut off the penis, she look good, you know. She's a friend of mine on Facebook here. And right now, Brooklyn Tabernacle Church. She says she and the man a gal and good used to suck her road. And till she have the surgery and cut off the fucking wood, the man asks her if she have none of her friend. She said yes, she have a friend when anybody not cut off yet. The man want to go for God tree, so the man bend down on the knee and suck the boy wood in front of her. Big old man at a church a preach. You can't trust them fuckers. Them pick up all for money and shit. God forgive me for the good ones. I'm talking about the bad ones. The bad ones. You see, I'm not going to stop talking about it. Because you see what happened. God is going to destroy everything. Brooklyn is going to be destroyed. Manhattan is going to destroy. Bronx, everywhere is going to be destroyed by God. A big tidal wave is going to come in and it's going to swallow everything and wash it out in the water. The Statue of Liberty will run in a second. I want you to know that. And when God starts to work and these things start to happen, you can't run and beg for mercy then. We have to start beg for mercy now. Because at any given time it could happen. God, you not have to be perfect. God, you don't have to be perfect, but believe in him. Right? Right. Yes, and I love you very much, and I thank you all. It's about almost 4 o'clock now. I think it's time for me to go and organize myself. And if the guy have the stocking, I want to put on my birthday dress, because I know you all like to see my birthday dress and so on. I think I should. It's my birthday. I don't want my birthday pass. I'm going to get my dress goodie. You think I should put on my dress goodie? On my birthday and take 2 pictures of my ear and stay good. I can't try to do something to it. What do you think? I should try get ready and put on my birthday dress. I'm not seeing no hands up. You know, I'm going to fix up and put on my birthday dress for no. At least when I can, you know, be better than nothing at all for my birthday. Yeah, so I'm going to be there, yeah? And try, I don't know what I'm going to do to the head top. I don't know when I can come up with goodie. So anything I go up with, please don't laugh. Okay, and so on. And put on my birthday dress and get back to Uno. I love you. So I could go on the train and get over, go on the next side or something. I think the rain stopped. Yeah, goodie, the rain stopped and it don't feel so cold. Let me can put on my birthday dress. Alright. Now get ready. I love you guys very much. And I appreciate each and every one of you that take your precious time to listen to me. To talk with me, to log in. You've been with me for many years, some of you guys, from the beginning. From the beginning. And we might like a little ups and downs sometime. And we might get a little argument. But it doesn't mean that we don't love each other, okay? So, whosoever and you and him get in to forget about the argument we have. I love you. Especially if you come back to me, that means you must have loved me. And I love you too. So, I just want you guys to know, have a blessed day today. And don't worry about you and God, basically. Because once you have faith, everything come after. Everything come after. And we have to start doing exercising programs. I supposed to go down to the girl house to show the inside studio of the house so people want to get them ear done. Them ear fall out and something.